Let's just make sure.
Oh no,
everything
Red
is
disappeared.
fine.
Poof.
Alright, wow. That's good. Because I'm starting. I'm
Wait, it kicked me out. Hold on. It kicked me out.
Alright. This is good. Welcome to the Vloggy Buddy stream. I'm gonna scroll down a little bit. Can I scroll? Ah, okay.
Man, I wish what's his name? True was here.
I spoke to True actually. He said he's gonna give it another attempt today to see if he can fix it. And Ivan, welcome! Ivan's first today. It's been a while since Ivan's first. Alright, so we're gonna be playing Outbreak. Biohazard Outbreak. Hey, Sassy, welcome! Welcome your faces to my stream. I've got Sakura with me. Say hello, Sakura.
What?
Say hello.
Hmm?
Say, oh, you touch my tralala. It's been a while since you sang that song for me.
Sorry, I'm running with no pantalones.
No pantalones. Today I'm wearing full-on pantalones. Huh? I'm so cold. I'm wearing a lot of clothes. So pantalones today. They're optional, but I chose to wear them. All right. So logging in.
Isn't Malta hot or something?
Well, I mean, the temperature is like 11 degrees Celsius. So I don't know how to translate it into Fahrenheit, but yeah, 11 degrees Celsius. So yeah, I mean, we don't get snow here or anything like that.
Over here is, I feel what, like 5 degrees Celsius?
5 degrees? 5 degrees? It can't be 5
snowed
degrees.
yesterday.
Yeah, it must be lower than 5 if it was snowing.
Yeah. I mean, like in Fahrenheit is 30.
30. I could convert it, but I'm too lazy right now. Resident Evil Talk is still with us. Toby, welcome.
Mer?
Toby's here. Toby's here.
Hey, Sati.
Is Ari Talk still with us? Hello.
Wait.
We're going to be playing Outbreak
on.
with Resident Evil Talk and Sakura. And I forgot to update the description since Sakura said it's going to join us. So, and why did I not put that down? And
Okay, I'm having issues with my YouTube.
so,
If my YouTube is affecting my connection, and I'm not sure if it's YouTube. Wait, I gotta keep moving or else I get kicked out. Wait.
Alright, so what we need to do, we need to go in West Town, the free mode, okay?
Oh, West Town.
West Town.
I forgot how to go back.
Back, I pressed 0. No, back is X for my controller because it's Japanese. You press 0 to proceed.
Okay.
Proceed X backwards in the Japanese controls. I left them like that.
Okay, West Town.
Alright, so I'm gonna create a room real quick. Room list. Area 1. Somebody's playing Hellfire, as you can see. Someone. Alright, so.
Who's that?
I don't know. Someone. They're waiting for people to join them actually, but I'm not gonna join those guys now. We're gonna create our own room, and I'm gonna call it.
I see it.
I'm gonna call it. We're gonna call it Ivan because Ivan is watching. Let's call the room Ivan because that's how we roll.
How we roll.
Alright.
In Mother Russia.
We're calling.
We roll.
Alright, so password I'm gonna leave it empty. 4 players I'm gonna leave it. Let's make it 4 just in case somebody else joins. Somebody that's not welcome. Weight limit is 10 minutes. Difficulty I'm gonna set it to easy. And friendly fire is off. And this scenario is gonna be called.
Please, no friendly fire, because like one time somebody will kill me.
What?
Was that true? Who shot me?
I don't know. But when we used to play with Amy always wanted friendly fire on. Like, there's enough danger in the game. Why would we want to risk hitting each other? But
exactly.
Yeah. Ari Talk. Is Ari Talk still there? It's the Resident Evil
Ari
Talk.
Ari Talk is here. He says, He said he's having issues with the headset.
Oh, all right. Yeah. He's actually typing. He said, "Hold on, sorry." Okay, no problem. No problem, buddy.
Wait, did he say hold on? Wait.
He said in Discord. He said, "Hold on, sorry."
Oh.
No problem, buddy. No problemo.
If I could split my screen right now is split, one for YouTube and one for the game. But for some reason, I think it's YouTube. Because I saw a few people playing the DLC. Like, wait a minute.
The DLC for what?
RE7.
Yes, I've seen it. Huh? I spoiled the story already. I don't want to talk about it just in case people don't want to know. But yeah, I've seen it and I've spoiled it already. I know everything.
I didn't look at it.
And I'm not satisfied. I'm not satisfied, honestly. But anyway.
What?
Yeah, I mean, the story continues and, you know, it gives some answers, but I'm not satisfied about how... I'm gonna shut up. I can't wait to play it myself. I don't know how much it's gonna cost, because the experience is only, what, an hour more? It's an hour extra of gameplay. So how much are they gonna charge for an additional hour of gameplay? That is the question. You know?
Wait, 1 hour?
Yeah, it's 1 hour. Yeah, actually, the guy who beat it in 55 minutes, to be honest with you, so it's less. But
why you gotta spoil it for me? Damn it! I'm not gonna pay. Well, how much is the DLC? $20?
Sorry?
How much is the DLC?
They didn't say. We don't know yet.
$15?
I don't know. They didn't say yet. There's no price yet. So that's it, really. If it's gonna be like $15 or $20, that's a lot for an extra 55 minutes of gameplay. If it's like $9.99, yeah, I guess $9.99. I'll buy it.
Yeah, $9.99.
But if it's 15 or 20, I think it's steep. But whatever, we'll see.
Yeah. If it's like, wait, the second DLC I pay $15, which is 4 games.
Yeah. You're talking about the banned footage?
Yes.
Yeah,
the
that was
first
expensive.
DLC, I didn't buy the first DLC. I bought the second DLC, which is $15, like for 4 games. Yeah, I'm like, I mean, I could go for $9.99, but $15. Alright, cool.
Not to mention,
about it.
Not to mention the gameplay. I mean, I'm not gonna spoil anything, but it gets borderline ridiculous at certain things. It gets borderline ridiculous. Like Chris Paul punching boulders ridiculous.
Yeah, but I will not answer that question, please.
What?
Ivan keeps asking me where I am from.
No, that's why I didn't ask you actually, because maybe you're not okay with telling where you're from.
I'm not okay. I live in hell.
Jackhammer 2, it's outbreak time. How are you, Jackhammer? Oh no, man, Jack's here. Now the pressure is on me right now. The pressure is on me because I need to be careful what kind of gun what kind of ammo I try to reload my gun with. Now I need to be careful. I try to reload my handgun with shotgun shells. Like, why won't this go in? Why won't my gun reload? Is this Paper Mario? Hey, V4. Comadre.
Okay, Vloggy. Will you insert an anaconda into a water snake hole? Come on.
What?
You're putting a big thing into a small hole?
What are you talking about?
Shotgun shells into a 9mm.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, exactly. You know. Shall we start the game? I don't know if Resident Evil Talk can play anyway. I don't know if...
Hey, comadre. Yeah, I don't know. It's red. You ready? Red.
Oh, and by the way, Jack. Yeah, start the game. I'm still working on it. But are you gonna join us? Like, let's. All right, let's.
Jackie.
I would like to.
Jack, finish. Oh wait, hold on. Jack, you're gonna join us.
That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. All right, so I'm gonna start. I'm gonna create the room. The room has been created. The room is called Ivan. There's no password. Go in. Take a seat. Okay. So Resident Evil Talk can't get the voice working. That's strange. It was just working 2 minutes ago. It breaks. It breaks. So anyway, Jack, I wanted to tell you something. Your anaconda of vlogging. So, Red, hello. I love them ads. What's the ad? I don't know. It depends on your searches, Red, really. So if you searched for tomatoes, you're gonna get an ad for tomatoes. If you searched porn, you're gonna get an advert for porn. So it's as simple as that. It's based on your cookies, Red. So anyway, Jack, I keep getting distracted. Jack, you sent me a link for the trailer of Resident Evil 2 Remake. That is totally fake. That is like the fake. How could you not tell that it was fake, man? It was like the fakest thing ever.
Test.
There you are. We can hear you. We can hear you. You're there.
Oh, you can?
Yes, now we can hear you. That's okay, Jack. I could sense the excitement in that tweet, though. I could sense the excitement.
Alright, I'll enter in a minute, I guess, if...
The room is ready if you want. I mean, we can wait.
Here in like a minute or two, sorry.
Yeah, sure, no problem. No problem. 30 minutes till my birthday's over. Red, why are you excited? Why do you get so excited for your birthday? It's just another day, really. And don't tell me I got 1 year older today. No, you get 1 day older every day, so...
What?
It's amazing how many people make a big fuss about their birthday. I don't get it. I really don't get it.
I don't look forward for my birthday. Makes me older. I'm like, nah,
yeah, exactly, Ivan. There's gonna be a point when you don't want your birthday anymore. Midna, hello. You're not late. We're just starting, actually. We're just starting. We're about to start the Hellfire scenario. By the way, guys, this scenario I never beat in multiplayer. Never, ever, ever, ever. The only time I beat this scenario was back in the PlayStation 2 days. All right, when I had single player, and I barely remember how this is done. So I'm gonna hope that Resident Evil Talk can pay.
I'm at the login, yeah.
All right, maybe you can carry us a little bit because I don't. You said you played this with Shooting Star, so I'm hoping you remember something, and you can carry us because there's some annoying puzzles here, huh?
I was watching that scenario. I didn't actually participate, and I didn't really pay attention.
Okay.
All I know is that it worked.
Oh, Lucky, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, you just did.
You don't need to answer.
Can I ask you a question? You just did. Tell me.
Okay. You finished the bridge?
Did I? No. The server is actually down. RIP for the time being, at least. The server is down right now.
Entering lobbies.
I'm having. The thing is this. My credit card expired last month. No, this month. My credit card expired and the bank sent me a replacement, but I didn't get anything. Or maybe they did and I lost it, but I couldn't find a replacement. So everything got cancelled. My subscriptions, my sponsorships. So yeah, I'm waiting for my credit card to come back. Once I get my credit card, I'll re-sponsor everyone. I'll restart my server again. So for the time being, yes, you are 30 V4.
I mean, don't they usually send it to your mailing address?
That's what they do. They send it via mail. But I don't know. Maybe I didn't get it. Maybe they sent it and I lost it. But I never saw it. I never saw it. Sometimes it gets lost in the mail, so it's a thing. How do you get this game, Midna? Oh, it's a complicated procedure, actually, Midna. It's a very... This is a PlayStation 2 game. We are emulating it through the power of emulation. And then there's like a whole procedure how to get the online working, because legitimately this doesn't work online anymore. They shut down the servers years ago, but the fans reopened the servers, and there's a way to reconfigure everything and get it to work.
Entered.
Yes, you are 30 V4. Alright, you're in. That's it. That's you, yes? 3 out of 4. That's you.
Yes. Nina, trust me, I almost threw my keyboard out of the window and I realized it's my property. And the game is making me nuts.
Starting the scenario in 3, 2, 1. I'm very noobish at this scenario, so...
Me too.
Bear with me.
Me too. Me too. I don't know these games for the back of my hand.
You know how I said that every scenario they introduce like a new monster, basically, like in the freezing point there was the hunters. This one's all about the lickers.
Lickers?
Mm-hmm.
You know, I haven't seen any lickers.
And the game looks gorgeous.
Help me, please. Help me.
Help me, please.
Is this like RE2?
Well, I mean, kind of. Yes, this is Hellfire, Inferno, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, this is it. This is the hotel.
Jack, help us, please. Blood is gonna have us killed.
So when we were kids, me and my friend, we were big fans of Resident Evil. We used to always discuss how the police station was a fantastic location for the game to happen.
What's that?
And Resident Evil 3, the hospital.
It's gonna blow!
And Resident Evil 1, the mansion.
Get out!
And I remember talking, like, we used to say a hotel would make a great location for a Resident Evil game. And then they came up with Outbreak. So we kinda called it.
Bloggy, how come when I see in the stream your game is ahead of mine?
What? Really?
I'm looking at the stream. How come your end is like 30 seconds ahead of my cutscene?
Yes! Here we go! Help me, please!
Oh, wait. Which is me? Okay, I forgot how you run.
The map is here.
Wait. How you
Yeah,
run?
that's the map. Yes, that's right.
Oh, okay, I see. This is run.
You've memorized the map. Wow, good for you.
Pipe.
Wait.
Oh, there's a pipe.
Wait,
There's
wait.
an herbage. I'm gonna take it. Sorry, first come, first served.
Thank you very much.
I can have a...
Oh, I have you pipe. Oh.
It says a corpse has pinned the door shut. How is he pinning the door shut? This corpse. That's weird.
How?
I can barely hear Sakura. Hang on. Maybe I can increase her volume. Bear with me. Hold
No,
on.
because I'm talking very low, cause I don't wanna move my jaw that much.
She is a bit low, yeah.
Here.
Oh.
All right, let's go.
Help!
Oh, you moved
Let's
this.
go from here. We start from here.
Weapon. Okay.
Flog, your
I
testosterone
just
level is high. Your beard is thickly and strong. What?
No idea.
Huh?
I'm sweating like a
and
pig.
clean.
Uh-oh.
Cutscene.
Same. Oh, cutscene. Kevin.
Hey! Hey, you! Huh? What?
This is bad.
Is that how you speak on a walkie-talkie?
No
Hey,
shit.
you! What? I thought that would be like, do you copy? Do you read me? Over. You know? Nothing. Hey, you what? Hold on. Is he holding something? Something was shining. Yeah, Charlie's
Hey,
ID tag. I don't know what it
Oh,
is. I don't know what it does.
If you have it, then you unlock costumes, I think.
I don't remember costumes.
Yeah.
What should I do?
I think my head eats up to a red
You better be there,
RE2000.
V4. I'm gonna do a stream. Are you guys joining the stream? The New Year's Eve stream that I'm gonna do? Like last year?
Come on.
Oh, wait. Oh, this is... I keep forgetting the
We're
key.
gonna be doing the Quiplash. Like
up.
last year.
How are you? Yeah, I'm streaming on my end too, so
I can't
I'll be
wait.
talking a little bit, but...
Yeah, I wanna see. Oh, watch out, zombie.
Oh, no! Help me,
It's
please!
funny how we both have guns, but nobody has equipment yet.
I forgot to equip. How you equip it?
Okay, this is a dead end. There's a gun here.
Wait, you can take it.
No, you take it. I have the pipe.
Okay, I have...
I've got a gun yet for so far. So.
How you pick it up on your mind?
That sounds like an RE3 zombie.
Yeah, the sounds are all from RE3. The sounds, the prompts, everything. Yeah. Alright,
I
I'm
hate
gonna
the
follow you into
camera.
this room.
Oh, I hate the camera angle.
Oh, come on, this is classic Resident Evil. Come on.
Hey.
The cameras. Come on. Don't complain.
No, I
It's
understand.
It's the beauty. Alright,
The
don't
beauty.
walk into the fire. This is a dead end.
Oh wait, ooh.
Wait for me!
Oh yeah, I remember this.
But which door? The window or the door?
Aritok went through the door.
I went through the door.
Bedroom, oh, there's a zombie.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for
Oh,
you
never mind.
outside. There's an herbage if anybody wants this.
Wait.
Hey, Jazz,
I'm here.
welcome. Okay, I hear a door banging.
Okay. Oh. Okay, so it's
Sakura.
X and circle.
Sup,
Wait,
girl?
it's X and circle. I gotta make sure.
It's time to dance, time to dance, time to dance.
How you do that? How you do that?
Quick turn. You do the quick turn. You tap the quick turn button.
I forgot.
Hey,
You press back. You know how to walk backwards. Just walk backwards like this. But then tap the X button to run. But keep
Oh.
tapping it.
Wait. I remember playing this.
Wait, is there anything in this room, or
I don't think there's anything now.
I thought there was something?
Yeah, I'm into Dragon Ball.
Just like
Dragon
a
Ball?
sound.
Was there anything in that room?
I just got an iron pipe. That's it.
Oh, okay.
No pipe for me. Wait. How you equip it?
Press start to get the menu.
Oh wait.
And then select the item.
Uh,
And then press equip or something.
start. Get the menu. Equip.
What's your quest? Edna. Vloggy, 2 days ago I remember you because in a shop a girl gave me a Maltese coin, 5 cents. Well, I mean, what? We don't have Maltese currency anymore. Our currency is euro, so. Alright, we have to cross over here, guys, alright?
Alright.
Alright, you go first.
going
You go
here.
first. You go first, Sakura. Go.
Sure. Ooh.
Go. You can do this. You can do this.
Look at it. Is that a zombie in a window?
What the heck?
Is that a oh, Jesus. Oh my god.
Why didn't it get her?
Vloggy tricked you. Vloggy tricked you.
No, but
Oh
it
my
didn't
God.
get her. I was hoping it would.
Hey. Oh, I can't move.
What? What happened?
Okay. I can't move. Okay. Oh,
Controller.
Watch out.
no,
There's fire.
there's
Watch out.
Ah! I hate you. How you get up?
Just pull up. Yeah, press action.
Baby. I know why.
It's gonna happen
you
again.
move.
Oh.
Okay.
You should probably shimmy while you're hanging. It's
Can
gonna
you
happen
hang
again.
out?
It's gonna happen again. Just shimmy
Move or
before
no?
you get up. Shimmy before you get up, like that.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Hey, listen, I don't know.
And then
I
go
don't
up
know
now.
the
Go up now.
controllers.
Get up
I
now.
don't know the controllers.
You're
I
gonna fall if you
am.
don't climb right away.
I am.
Come on. You got this. You see?
I'm scared.
Help me, please!
Ah, it's a Maltese euro. Yeah, it's a Maltese euro coin. I see what you mean. Okay. I see what you mean.
Oh my god.
Come on, Mark, you slowpoke.
There you go. He's just a tiny bit overweight. That's all.
Come on.
I think it's hard for him to shimmy because of his belly.
Hey.
Thanks.
We going down?
Come on.
Vlog,
Hey, will you push me?
if we suggest a game, will you try it? Probably not. No. Go ahead and suggest. I don't want to be closed-minded, but most of the time I want to play games that I'm familiar with. Unless it's horror. Horror, yes, I do take requests if it's horror. But I like to check them out first. So, suggest the game. I'll look it up, and if I like what I see, because, like, for example, this week, somebody suggested Undertale, and it's such a mainstream game, like, ugh, Undertale. It's like saying Five Nights at Freddy's. But no, I checked it out and it looks so good. I want to try it. The reviews are fantastic.
What up? Undertale?
Yes, Undertale. It's like an RPG. Watch out! Help me, please!
Stay
I forgot
back.
how you use my. Oh,
Right now, so where do we start from? Which room do we start from? I'm confused, huh?
Well,
Let's
the
start
room
from
to
this
the
door. Let's start from this door. Let's see what's
okay.
what.
Question. How you use to hit something?
You aim. You just aim and you aim with the R1, and then you press
Oh,
0 to
R.
hit or shoot, whatever you're holding. So let's see what this door has in store for us. There's something here. It says antivirus. That's not what I need really. And there's an herbage here. If somebody hasn't picked up an herbage yet, have one.
Mark?
Oh, you know what? I could use the green herb. I got a blue and a red, so.
Yeah. There's a green one over there. Have it, because It's locked with a simple lock.
Yeah, we can bust it down.
Yeah! Hey, you just kicked me! You just kicked me! What in the world?
Look at us, teamwork. That's teamwork. I don't recommend using your weapon though, because if you use your weapon, it's gonna break down.
Oh. Alright,
Look at us. Oops, that's not what I wanted.
This is it.
oh
There we
no,
go,
no!
we did it. Like a boss. I hope this was not an effort, a waste of effort.
Oh,
Well, there was
man.
there's a first aid spray. Pick it up, Sakura.
Me?
So at least,
Oh, okay,
pick it
okay,
up. So it is a first aid spray, yes.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
take it,
Oh,
since you have
wait,
more
wait,
inventory
wait.
space. If somebody needs it, they'll take it.
Oh, you take it. I've got 8 spray and herbs.
Wait. Why can't I grab it?
What? You
Oh.
took it.
I got it.
Right, so there's nothing important in this room, right? Let me just look around real
No.
quick.
Man,
don't feel like taking
I
a
am
rest
so
right now.
confused. You know what's
Next
funny? I'm
room,
using
I
a
think-
PS2 controller.
You're in the next room?
Next room, I think, goes upstairs, so I don't.
Yeah, let's stay on this floor. Let's go through all the doors for now. And then we'll move. Alright, so
You know what's funny? I'm using a PS2 controller and I have no idea how to use it.
my nose is really cold right now.
For you.
I see that. What is that? A pipe? I got a pipe. I don't need a
hello.
pipe.
Alright, yes, this
Wait!
Oh,
are you in this room as well? I don't see you.
Come on!
I can hear you.
Here!
Over there.
Well, anyway.
Did you go down or not? No, you didn't go down, did you?
We are in this, like, storage room. There's ammo here for you.
yeah. I don't.
Is it for my gun?
Yeah, for your gun.
I'm coming. My nose is so cold. I'm coming. Trying to determine which room you guys are in.
Help me.
Oh. Wait. No, see, no, I can't do the quick turn.
Oh, that was a note. I just picked up a note.
No way!
Oh,
No way.
I thought
Come on!
Where are you guys?
in a storage room.
Look on the map.
Wait.
Storage room. I lost you guys.
Northwest Passage 2.
See me blinking the,
There you go. Oh, Jesus.
Hey, Saranya,
Hey.
hello. Oh, there you go. There's Sakura.
thought it looked like garbage, honestly. No. Yes.
Oh, this is it. Alright, this is the room you're in. Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
There,
So what's the goodies that we
on
have
the
here?
desk.
Ew.
Let me see.
What? What did I just do?
Oh, 45
I couldn't
rounds.
see.
Let's see. Are these for me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, nice. Alright, good.
Oh my god.
Jack is not gonna make fun of me.
And like that fan RE2 trailer was garbage.
Yes, it was garbage. It was garbage. He was so excited. He shared it with me. I could feel the excitement in his voice. But no, it wasn't. Yes, you carry 45. I know. Okay, so each time you're gonna make fun of me reloading my gun with the wrong ammo, alright? I'm gonna remind you that you shared with me a fake Resident Evil 2 trailer.
Oh, ow, ow.
Oh man. Hey Nick, hello! You found a SNES Mini. How much was it, if you don't mind me asking, Nick? How much was it? Was it expensive? They're so expensive over here. They scalp like crazy. The cheapest I managed to get my hands on was 90 euros. Oh, where am I? What is this? What is this? What is this? Wait, this is the way I came from. Right? Yeah.
Corridor. Next room. There's an herb here.
I can't carry. Hold on.
Slots. Sakura, you have 4 other slots.
I'm trying to look for
Oh,
you guys.
okay.
I have no idea
Alright,
where you guys
hold
are.
it.
You guys aren't in the same.
Alright, hold on. I'm just fixing my bag. Okay, let me get it. Air.
See, I think you can also pick up an item, and then when you highlight the bag, it'll go in the bag too. I think.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, I did. Wait. No.
You got it for 57? That was really good. Return
Alright.
why? I'm missing the
Where
HDMI
did
cable, so
Bluggy go?
HDMI cables are really cheap, so.
Where did
guys are
Bluggy
not
go?
here. I don't know, I'm looking for you guys. I'm gonna go in the hallway, so, the corridor, so you can find me there.
Yeah, we're in like the middle square hallway.
Square
Yeah.
hallway.
Mm,
Square hallway.
I don't wanna be far.
Square hallway.
East door? Boiler management office.
Are you still on the same floor where I was? I mean, where
Yes.
we met?
Oh,
The second floor. We're on the second floor. The same floor.
Why is it that I don't see you then? I don't see you guys.
Like that on the map, there's like a square hallway that wraps around. Or on the left side.
Okay, you're on the square hallway. Alright, how did you get there? Alright, I'm coming there.
Just through the door.
I'm coming there. I see what you mean.
I have no clue where I am at now.
Oh,
Boiler room.
you're not with them.
No, I went to the boiler room. Ooh, I see. Ooh, I see a. What is this?
Right, so this is the room.
I
Security
want to say
card.
if you
That's
use the
security?
voice commands, I think if you use the voice commands, they show up on the map.
If you use the voice commands, you can hear them like if they're close, like next door, something like that. Alright, yes, I see you guys. I mean, I'm in the square hallway thing.
Does
Now,
it?
where are you? Which room are you in?
Like you use a
Okay.
voice command or something,
Thanks.
it does show up on the map.
Come here.
It blinks on the map.
Can you do it yourself? Can you do it? Let me see.
I have a security card.
Yes, that's right.
Let's just try to stay calm.
Oh, and I can see you moving in real time. Alright, but not anymore. Okay.
So that's a good way to pinpoint.
Alright,
I think
Sakura,
Yeah,
where are you?
Hey there.
on the boiler room. I got a security card.
Uh-huh.
Security card.
Yeah, I don't know what's that for.
We need to find each other. We need to stay together, huh?
I'm in the corner
Oh, I just
now.
saw you. I just saw you leaving the room. I just saw you leaving the room. Come back.
No.
Come back. Come back. Come back.
I'm coming back.
So we can stay together. So, what's in this room? Is there anything important? I'm sure there's a puzzle here. I think there's a puzzle in here. Boiler room.
Okay, I came in. I didn't check this. I didn't check it, but check
Oh,
the.
okay. This guy has a card. So you picked up the card?
I picked up one.
Alright, no, you can. One is enough. I'm not gonna pick one. Because key items
Alright.
here. Key items, everybody gets to pick one up. But there's no need. If we're a team, we don't need to pick up the
Okay.
cards. All of us, you know?
Alright.
So, since you have the card, let's go.
AIDS.
I will eventually get my hands on a SNES for now, because he's like, I got loads of orders and you know how they're being scalped left, right, and center. So he's like, if you're not in a hurry, I'm like, I'm not in a hurry. I don't care if I wait a month, 2, 3, as long as I don't get it for 200 euros. That's how much they were selling it for, 199. Sakura, you still with us?
I'm coming.
Very well, okay.
Because we
I worry about
have
you,
to.
see? I know where we need to go next, I think.
Okay.
So if you just
Okay,
follow
just-
me, guys, I think I know where we
just-
need to use the card.
Did you find it?
Just to let you know, guys, I have no room in my bag.
This way.
I got
this
all.
way.
I have all 8 slots filled. Oh, Jesus!
Thank you.
What the? Jeez.
I think you use the card here. I think it's this is where you use the card.
Wait, here.
Try.
Oh, wait. Here?
Yeah, there's
the
a
thing
card
here?
reader. See if it works over there. Does it work?
It's not letting me use.
You have to select it, then use.
Yeah,
There you go.
I was having issues with the buttons.
Oh, issues with the buttons, the buttons.
Yeah, cause I'm used to press circle and no X, but I had to switch it backwards.
All right, let's scout the area here.
Alright.
There's a bunch of guns, but
Ooh, what is it?
shotgun. Aha! Now we're talking.
Well, I have shotgun rounds here.
If okay, I'll take them. Then.
Here.
Thank you, and I'm gonna give you this in return.
Okay, I'll take it. Thanks.
Nah, I'm happy with my pipe.
Actually, no. It's better if you equip yourself with a gun. You have a gun. No, you don't have a gun.
I have
Yes, you do.
I do have a
Do you
gun.
know
Did you find anything?
the red jewel, I think, and bring it back in this room?
Is it?
Wait.
Is this room where you need the jewel? Yeah, there it is. Okay.
I think so.
Pushing
Is
this.
it-
I'm pushing this.
See, yep, and then it'll open that door, and that'll open it to the final area.
Okay. There's something glowing here. What's this?
Wait.
Oh yeah, the tag. I just put that there. Okay. There's a first aid spray if anybody needs it.
How do I
Mark's
move it?
health
Okay.
is on caution, so I don't know.
How do I move it to my bag?
What? Sorry?
Use it, and then
Alright. Jesus, I don't know how to move stuff out of my bag to my second bag.
What do you to your second bag? You don't have a second bag. It's just that your inventory slot is bigger.
I
I
think
don't, my backpack.
Help!
take an item and combine it with the
Just
backpack.
subscribe. Somebody just subscribe, and I need to say thank you and all that. Antivirus, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the stream. Vloggy, have you bought another Funko? Not yet. If I buy Funkos, I will show it on video for sure. Alright, so what's over here? Hold on, what's this? Documents.
Wait, highlight the bag and swap items. Oh, okay. Yeah, hold on.
Find anything new?
Funny.
Good. Please help!
I don't know, for some reason the sound went really
Please
slow.
help! Please help! Help! Come on!
Ah, no, it's fine, it's catching up now.
Thanks.
So, do you want to go through here, see what's what? Oh, I just unlocked
Yeah.
it. I don't know where this is going to take us. Let's
You
see.
locked it?
So yeah, anytime I get Funkos, I will make videos about them.
I
Let's see
don't know.
where this
I want
takes
to.
us.
I want to get the rarest Funko. Oh.
Sakura's very clumsy, she keeps falling.
Yeah. Unfortunately. Ow! Oh, ew. What the fuck? Ew.
Hold on.
What's over this? What's over here? I'm gonna check this one.
Oh.
It said, she said, Jackhammer says highlight the back and swap items. I don't know what he's on about. I never played
You're
this
not-
Yoko, so I don't know. Ooh, staircase.
Oh.
What I was saying was combine an item with the backpack. It should go into the backpack.
Oh, that's what I was trying to do, but
Alright, let's go upstairs.
We'll
Let's see
go
where this
up
takes
and
us.
okay.
This looks so gorgeous. This staircase with the it reminds me of the first mention, the Ari mention. The staircase, the picture frames.
Man, being sure, I sure can walk slow. Okay.
Alright, watch out, there's a zombie.
It's a liquor. I hear a liquor somewhere.
I hear liquor.
I'm gonna check this door by the
Get
fire.
out of here! Get out of here!
Room 3 or something.
Ah! Yeah!
Come on.
Alright, we haven't been here for sure. What are these ammo? Shotgun rounds. Thank you, I'll take them. There's another zombie, careful.
Yeah. Oh. Alright, let me try this. Put it in here.
I think we
Got
can
it.
bust this open.
Really? How?
Hold on. Let me just... no,
Yeah.
I think it's better if she does it with the pipe. I think it's more efficient with the pipe.
Excuse
Who
me?
wants to
Excuse
try
me?
it?
Excuse me? Move along,
Excuse
move
her,
along.
Did you find
Yeah!
I think.
Oh, come on, Clumsy. Hey!
We need a baseball pitcher. Oh, come on. Come on. You're doing it.
Hold
You're
it.
doing it. Oh, like a boss. Oh. Bye, have a
Sorry.
great time.
Oh, mountain.
Oh, there's a dead lady here. And there's a grenade launcher here, huh?
You find it.
There's a grenade launcher. By the dead
Grenade.
lady.
Who's gonna use the grenade launcher?
I don't know. I have my shotgun, so
You got.
you guys
Did you
decide.
find
I
anything?
have my shotgun.
You'll go. Go.
Yo,
Okay,
go.
okay.
Say thank
Okay,
you.
okay, I
You'll
get it.
go. Thank you. Thanks.
How you do it? How you say thank you? How you say thank you?
Please help.
Move
Thank
it
you very
right.
much.
There you go.
There you go. I just unlocked this door as well. I don't know where this is gonna take us.
I'm afraid. I'm afraid.
Okay, I hear liquor. We need to be careful.
Should I use
I'm gonna check
the
this
grenade
door next to
launcher?
it. This one's locked with a silver relief. I hear something.
It's silver.
I hear liquor.
Oh, watch out! There's a liquor right
And the
there.
stairway.
Wait. Oh,
You're not even hitting it.
upstairs.
Move.
Let's go down the stairs. Let's go down the stairs. Let's see what it takes us.
Sayonara.
Got this sucker.
I went down the stairs. I don't know why Jack told me to stay away from the grenade launcher, but
Wait,
it's a good gun. Where am I?
If anyone spoiled RE7, I would
I will get
never
upstairs.
speak to them. I would never talk to them again.
I'm not gonna spoil it, but I spoiled it for myself.
Wait, where are you?
I'm-
Where are you?
General,
No,
Watch out, watch out.
Oh.
My gun ran out.
Go catch it. What is in here?
I'm gonna check out this door as well with you. I'm gonna go here.
Room 2.
Sometimes the game goes really slow for a second, like goes really slow. I don't know why.
Oh,
It lags kind of.
wait.
Oh,
We've been
there's
here
a map of
before?
Europe. There's a map of Europe, but there's no
Take it.
Malta. There's no Malta. It's right below Italy. So what do we do here? A panel.
Oh,
A map
really?
is inscribed on it. Okay, so this is where it gets annoying. I think there should be something that says
statue over here when you
Okay.
solve it. There's other rooms
I
with
don't know.
paintings or something.
Did you find it?
when the earth is tinted with red blood, the guardian knight will cut the way through. So yeah, they need to all be red basically. And we are missing a few boxes, number 1 and number 4. I don't know which is Russia, Finland.
For 1 and 4.
We need to make Spain red as well. Jack, can you do that please? From your end?
How you do that?
We need to find rooms with switches.
Okay, there's a room on the hall we haven't been to.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you
We
know which
stick
one?
together like
we can
glue.
follow you?
Alright, we stick together like
Yeah,
glue.
let's go. We stick together like glue. Spain is small.
Missing shot.
Alright, so.
That's really
Because I don't know.
Okay, no, this is a new room.
Oh,
Yeah, we
Jesus.
haven't been here for sure. We haven't been here. So, we'll see. We need to make sure that we don't... This is Spain. Okay, we need to turn this one on for sure. That's Spain. You see? So...
España.
There's a switch next to the plate. Push it up? Yes. Alright, so I'm sure Spain went up now.
Oh, I'm gonna break my pipe. Didn't work. Didn't work.
My shotgun didn't help.
Okay, I am infected? How in the world I got infected just now?
We start off infected, we're all infected.
We always do.
Break the door.
I don't know what's down here, but
We did it.
Oh. Toilet.
Let's see what's inside.
be sure.
What invasion of privacy?
It's,
How was the door locked from the inside if there's nobody here?
Exactly.
And this was a waste of effort.
There's just an antivirus. That's it. Images.
I'm
10.
doing the dance, the shotgun dance. Streamer, shoot the screen. Oh yeah, I should kick the viewers. I listen dance. Do a little dance. Get down tonight.
Hey Kevin.
Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
So we need to find another room. So the map should be all red except for Finland. Tra-la-la. Jazz.
Oh, there's another room here.
Yeah, check out that room. In the meantime, I'm gonna make sure that the reds actually came on in that room.
Yeah, I think that's the staircase we were in.
Lounge
We've
stairs.
explored our stairway.
Oh, okay, I came from here.
Oh yeah, it's all red except for number 1, Russia or Finland or Estonia, something like that. We need to look. Number 1. Other than that, if you find any other rooms with other countries, do not touch the switches, because we'll mess up the puzzle. We just need to find one more room.
Stairwell.
Security office. Are you in a security office?
And Mark. Yep.
Security office. I'm at the security office as well. Is everybody here?
I'm here.
Wait, what floor is that?
Same floor we were on just now. But we've been here, right? We've been here.
Oh, okay.
No, we've been here.
Hey.
We came from this room. This room is pointless. Alright, we need to find that one room with the switch. And what floor are we on? What floor is this on?
Let's use your...
3. We're on the second floor. We're on the second floor.
Oh wait, no, I think I know where you are. Okay. Oh, there you are. Okay.
Okay, so this room is pointless. And what floor is this then? Let me just double check.
Another
This is the second floor. That's right. This is the second floor. Just ask me where Malta is. It's right underneath.
No, I think I know.
You know? Okay, you lead the way.
Think. Yeah. Oh wait.
Oh,
Wait.
okay.
Oh, did we go through the hole here, or?
That's the security office. We don't need to go there.
Oh, wait, okay. Whoa. Zombie.
Watch out.
Oh, Jesus!
Have we been
Help me!
upstairs?
Help me! Oh.
Have we been upstairs? No way. I'm so confused right now.
Okay, I don't know where you guys at.
I was trying to look for that room.
Upstairs?
Oh.
Shall we take our separate ways? Maybe we can find the room faster.
Oh, help!
if we split.
Help!
Okay, yeah, I know where. Okay.
Where we going? Where we going?
Sure, you want to stick with me, perhaps, or?
I don't know where we're going. You, no.
So, I think.
Upstairs? Downstairs?
I'm in
I think
the...
you went upstairs.
I'm in the 3rd floor right now, going around the 3rd floor looking for, that room,
Yeah,
basically.
let's go up.
Alright, so we're going upstairs.
But no, I don't think this...
Dion!
Silver relief. Nothing. Oh, there you are. I don't think there's anything up here, huh?
Is that a...
Okay, follow me.
Following you.
Okay, yeah.
You think?
I think I know. Wow, changed. There we go. We go through the security office back to where...
Oh, okay.
There's one of the rooms you can actually climb up part of the floor that is not accessible.
Okay.
I think.
Oh.
Look, there's Sakura. Okay.
Okay.
So at the security office. Oh, jeez.
Security officer all the way. Yes, there.
I mean, I hate the camera angles. Oh my god.
I love the camera angles. It's like a movie. That's a true Resident Evil game with fixed camera angles. Well, actually, these ones are follow you around a little bit, so it's not exactly fixed. So you were talking about this door?
Yoko! Thanks.
She's coming.
Yes.
There you are.
I'm coming.
Come on! Move it!
It's just a loading screen. Oh.
Mark! Yoko!
Oh.
Yoko!
A lot.
Oh,
Okay, we
Put it this way.
Whoa, watch out, watch out, watch out. Sorry,
hold on. Yes!
Yoko or save Sakura.
Yes,
Okay, this room.
This
yes.
room, yes. This room is where we need to push a crate. Sorry, I'm gonna cough.
Or something.
There's a crate we need to push, and we need to
go
jump
downstairs.
down. Yes.
Upstairs or downstairs? Okay.
Downstairs, I think. Hold on, let's push the crate real quick. Bear with me. I'll do this.
My nose so itchy.
And now we can jump down.
Is there anything here that would pick
Oh,
up
this
now,
camera
right?
angle.
I know, tell me about it.
Now, once you jump down,
Use
you'll
camera
see.
angles.
Yeah, I love that. Alright, what is this? Something's shiny over here. Shiny disco ball. What is it? Where is it? I saw something. Something shiny.
Oh,
Oh, it's some
blue.
kind of puzzle. No. Go read it, because...
Ah, yeah, I know
Wait.
this. Guess let's copy GFA. Yes.
Isn't it like a combination to a safe or something?
Exactly. We need that because there's a silver relief key that we need to open. Various books.
Oh.
Alright, nothing else then. Alright, I'm coming, guys. I'm just looking around real quick.
I think I just hit my face with the door. I hear a liquor! Oh my god! Ew.
Whoa, you guys okay? You destroyed that
Jesus.
liquor. It's over here. Have you checked out this room 101? Let me check this room.
I think I'm hurt.
Was.
We found another room here. I hear a zombie. You're hurt. Are you bleeding?
No. Look at my butt.
Alright, so they've been charged. A. Lowell. A. Lowell, according to the file, is... Oh, man. A. Lowell.
I'm in danger.
Okay, heal up. Use a healing item. Guest list copy.
Okay, hold on.
A. Lowell.
Okay.
A. Lowell is Bay. the password is Bay.
Bay.
Alright, so enter the code.
Okay.
So that's B. A. E. Yeah, baby. Yeah, babe. It's open. Successfully released the lock. Okay. And I've got the silver relief key.
Okay.
Hold on. I cannot pick it up. I'm full.
Oh,
Hold
one
on,
space
let me just reload
left.
the gun. No problem. I'll do it. I'll do it.
And the
I
door
got
for
it.
the silver relief is just down the hall.
It's not on this
Oh, you
floor,
took the
is
key?
it? Yeah, I took the key. I took the key. No need to pick it up.
Alright.
Let me just see if there's
bathroom.
anything in here. Nope, there's a dead guy. Oh, there's someone alive, actually. Shh, please be
Oh,
quiet.
really?
That thing is very
he
sensitive
alive?
to noises. If it finds us, then I'm gonna bleeding won't stop. Keep your guard up. That thing's tongue is no response. He seems to have died. Rip. But he's moving. He's breathing. Alright, what's that? Is that blue herb? Yeah, no need for blue herb.
Dun 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 dun.
Does anybody need to pee before we leave?
I just pee when you were talking. I was peeing when you were talking to that dude.
Yeah, down the hall. We're on the other side of one of the relief doors, the silver relief doors.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to lead the way? Because I'm already.
Yes.
Lead the way. I got the.
I hear a liquor.
Shoot, liquor.
Watch out! Watch out! Oh no! Don't bother about the liquors. Is it here?
This door.
Okay, let's go. Oh, okay, alright. So, I'm sure there was another door that required us at the very least. It's not this one, but I'm sure there was another one. Alright, you've unlocked it. Let's go.
Oh, okay.
Wait, there's another room unexplored. It's behind us, sorry.
We'll check it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what's what. I'm on 40 already. They didn't fire us.
So we're back to where we were before.
Oh, this
Really?
was, oh. So we didn't do any progress.
Alright, so
Wait, what
let's
about
move
this
back.
door? What's this door?
Oh.
What is this door? I don't remember going through this door. Apple Inn Square.
Oh, were we here before?
I don't think so.
Yes, we were.
Is this the outside? Oh, yes. It's the outside.
Oh, no. Turn around. No, let me in.
Did you make it out? Alright, so we haven't been here exactly because the door was locked from that side.
Ah,
So no, we haven't been here.
okay.
Oh, there's a gun here. So if anybody needs a gun, there's a pistol here.
I don't need a gun. I don't need it.
So we came out of here. Alright, so hold on.
Oh, yeah, let's go this
we
way.
can walk over. Oh, we can walk over here. Actually, look.
Okay.
Thanks, you saved me. Now, where does this lead? Let's take a look at this one.
Oh, I'm burning myself. What
It's a
the?
flimsy door. Okay, you can take care of the zombie. I'm gonna try opening this door.
Oh, it's the one we can hit him. I hear him.
Okay, zombies are coming.
Okay, right behind us.
I think I need ammo.
What kind of ammo?
Or
Oh, I was about to
9
shoot
millimeters.
it.
I need a 9 millimeters.
9, I don't have any of that. Did you guys pick up the grenade launcher earlier?
I did.
Okay.
I did.
Okay.
Oh, we haven't been here, for sure.
Oh, what's this?
I know a path over here. I know a path. If you follow me, look at this.
Huh? Oh, nice booty. Ooh.
Don't check out my booty. Leave my booty alone. There's no time for booty.
Well, I put my face in there.
Oh,
Sorry.
what's this? Some ammo.
Oh,
Do I see ammo here? Shotgun
what kind of
rounds.
ammo? Oh, shotgun. Oh, what is this, man?
Ouch! I'm at 42% virus.
No.
Be careful.
Jesus.
Alright, I think
will-
this is the way. I don't know, I'm not so sure. Okay, Jazz, no problem. Take your time.
One of the doors for the gold relief is, so...
There's somebody on the floor here. Watch out! Whoa! Help me! Help me, please!
Oh,
Alright,
Oh,
thanks.
another shotgun.
Yeah, the game is very generous with ammo and handgun and stuff.
yeah, right?
Buy that.
Okay, if anybody needs a shotgun, there's an extra shotgun here.
Should I use a shotgun or should which
This
is
a dead
better?
end, isn't it? There's no point. It's
Yeah,
better
I'll
than
take it.
handgun. Oh no. Oh no, my
What?
game froze.
No.
Froze.
No.
Anybody else's froze?
No, my game is...
Yes.
Not me. Not me. My game is running.
You see, again, yeah, I told you about this, and this is the exact same spot where me and True fainted. All right, you're about to see us faint. You're
Okay.
about to see us pass out and die.
Yeah, you too.
You see?
I'm the only one alive.
You see? It happens
Why?
every single time.
Oh,
I was gonna mention it. In fact, I was gonna say this is where we passed out, me and True, and we played it together. This scenario was broken.
I'm still running.
The thing is, not exactly. You're not online either. You're playing on your own.
Damn it.
I don't think you'll be able to progress on your own anyway. So
Nope.
yeah, this scenario is
man.
broken. This scenario is broken.
failed you. Sorry.
You
How
see-
you got? You know what's funny? The two of you froze. I
Yeah.
didn't.
That's how it is. Some not everybody dies. It's okay. I'm gonna
Crap.
restart. I'm gonna have to restart the emulator because it's completely crashed.
Alright, that's me.
Okay.
So yeah,
Alright, so that's me. I have to leave the game.
you're the chosen one,
Crap.
according to Jack. But yeah,
My
Well, I
game still.
guess.
Okay.
yeah. This scenario is broken. That's why I always hesitate to play this scenario. They say that if you use adlib on a certain floor, it will crash it, and we might have done that already, and we didn't realize.
Adlib.
Yeah, like voices. I mean,
First floor, I guess.
Oh, I didn't use any of that.
I don't know, but that's what causes it. They say. I don't know, but I've never been able to finish that scenario because of that. So,
Okay.
do you want to go decisions?
Okay. How do I get out? I need to get
How
out
do you
again.
get out of there? I don't know. Press
I just
select.
X'd out. I just X'd out.
Yeah,
of the
just
whole-
X out.
X
Yeah,
out?
just X out of the emulator anyway. That's what I did. I just restarted the
Alright.
whole thing. And I'm gonna create another room now. Previous connection. Next. This part right here, when it says connect a USB keyboard to the, it would usually get stuck on 24%, and then it would crash the game. It would say something like, that's what the problem I had after a Windows update. It goes up to 24, and then it says something DHCP, something, failed to connect. Used to do it every single time the Windows updated. I would lose the settings every single time.
Oh.
Alright, signed in as a login buddy. Login. Have you guys noticed that there's a little Santa hat over the O of Outbreak?
Yeah.
Barry's
Well,
disappointed with you. What about your family? What? It says Barry's disappointed with you. What about your family? Deck the halls with herbs and bullets. Fa la 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 la. Oh man.
Okay.
So I want to go with
Alright.
decisions. I'm more familiar with that scenario.
I mean, I'll play anything because I'm new. I have no clue.
Yeah, you stick with us. You just keep following us. And then
Vloggy knows.
Yeah, I mean, I know how to get the first two. I know how to get the third one as well. But the third one is tricky. We'll see. We'll see.
P-based or something.
Yeah.
eBay's?
Yeah, we need...
One. Don't get the.
Okay, I'm gonna... That is my ultimate challenge. I've never finished decisions multiplayer with people. But, you know, I mean, us doing it, I mean. I always had people carrying me throughout the whole scenario.
Here's my
like last time.
Resident Evil shirt.
So,
Wait, I'm loading the game again. We're done. We're done.
so room list. Area 1. I'm gonna take this, okay. And I'm going to name our room Jazz. Just because Jazz was the last one to comment in chat. Jazz.
I'm logging in now.
Me too.
4
I'm
players,
loading.
10 minutes. Easy, friendly fire off. And the scenario is gonna be decisions, and I'm gonna be Kevin. Finish.
Barry's disappointed with you. What about your family?
The third one is tricky because you forget all the cap. No, the thing is this, the game puts you off because there's 2 P-babies you can get. Okay, the room is open and it's called Jazz. The thing is, the game misleads you by giving you 2 P-bases. One of them is sealed P-base and the other one is not sealed. And you're like, yeah, I got it. You leave the room and it says it evaporated because it wasn't sealed.
I've gone the whole way and then it evaporated.
Exactly.
Yeah.
There's one of the items is a decoy. Literally a decoy.
Ah.
You get the item and you're like, I got the P-base. You leave the room. As soon as you leave the room right away, it says it evaporated because it wasn't sealed. So why did you give me this item, you know? You need to find the sealed P-base, basically. So the room's ready. Take your time, guys.
Okay, area 1, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna have a sip of water because I talk too much.
Trying to get the Japanese symbol out of my name, but it's too cumbersome right now. So.
Yeah, what I would suggest is create another one. You know, you have 3 slots where you can create usernames. You can create another user.
Okay, free mode. True.
Yeah. Number 2.
Did you just join?
Me.
Alright,
Yeah.
there's 2 people. Yeah, so it's me and you.
What area?
1. Area 52.
Alright,
Hold on, let me explore that. Jazz. Bloggy puso tu nombre como la última persona en comentar, por eso.
You're in? Is everybody in?
I are in.
I'm assuming the third one is Ari.
Yes, I'm-
Alright, starting the scenario now. I love this scenario. I really love this scenario.
Man, look at it.
I all by myself. No.
Oh, behind my. Look at Bloggy. 46, 136. How many points? Da? Nah.
Look, it's Alfred Wesker.
Look at it. He looks so old.
It looks just like
Hammer.
Albert Wesker, but instead of
Too much
sunglasses,
growth
regular
weakens an
sunglasses.
organization.
And
What
Speedo
should be
Tyrants.
important becomes overshadowed by greed.
I think he's
Mass
brother.
production?
Jackhammer.
Ridiculous.
Are you referring to RE6?
What?
Look at it. This Alfred
One
Wesker lookalike
masterpiece
looks
is
so
enough.
handsome.
Yeah, Alfred, because it's not Albert. It's like his twin brother, but his nerdy brother.
Oh, now I understand why the tyrant killed him. Premature, because it looks like Albert.
Good one.
This place too.
This place too.
What?
Guys, if you follow me, stick with me. I know exactly where we
Dear
need to go in
George,
order. So
I
we can
have
speed run the
vital
first two.
information about
The first two
current city
ingredients we can speed
crisis,
run
which
them.
only you will understand.
Okay.
I'm waiting at the
I
university.
might be able to do the P base if you.
Please
The one at
contact
the,
me as
the
soon
one
as
at the
possible.
bottom floor.
Peter Jenkins. This is
The one where there's the hunters.
I could try, and if I die, I die.
University.
Yeah, okay.
Why
yeah,
there?
I'd rather you don't.
Yeah.
we don't want to lose you.
10 hours later, Raccoon in. Oh wait, Raccoon University isn't that where
I think
are
of this
is
as
it?
a personal challenge. All of us do this because last time we did it, that one guy carried us basically when he got the third ingredient.
Cindy, yeah.
wait,
we're
wait,
playing as
Bloggy.
Cindy.
Bloggy, isn't this the university where Leon's scenario starts?
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna start by
RE6?
going upstairs. Let's go. Upstairs.
Wait, where are you? Where?
Even the music is fantastic here.
Wait. Upstairs? You say upstairs?
We go upstairs.
Yep.
I'm going upstairs. Oh, there you are. I'm sticking like glue.
There's gonna be some herbage over here.
Wait a minute. I got short legs.
If somebody wants herbage, there's herbage over here.
Yoko or Sakura can take it, yeah.
Yeah, there's green and red over here.
Wait. Oh, there.
Move it!
I don't know what she was on about really, Jack. You were saying something about Leon being here. This is not Leon's.
No. University.
What university?
This
Totally
is
new area,
this is Raccoon University.
Yeah?
Isn't this is what RE6 where Leon starts?
No, it's not the same one, isn't it? No, I wouldn't say that. Doesn't look like it. Let's go. There might be a few zombies here. We need to push a few.
Looking off.
Oh, tall oaks. Okay, got it.
Wow, Jack knows everything. Alright, let's see if we can push this real quick.
We'll get the zombie.
Let's get the zombie. Watch out. Why is mine not outweighing me? Why am I not outweighing me? What the heck? What's going on?
Hold on.
The game has a mind of its own.
Thank you.
Okay, AFK for a
Is there
minute.
something that you can pick up?
We're back.
Yeah, there's a pipe if you want it. You can have it. Alright, now. One of us needs to go into this side of the room, and one of us needs to go to the other
Sakura?
side. Sakura? Did she just rip?
In there.
I think so. Alright, no problem. Follow me.
Move!
It sounded like she put her headset down and she left. She probably has to go somewhere. Alright. So, you take this door, I'll take the other one.
Yep.
Whoa, zombie.
Pull that string or whatever. Is that
Yeah,
what?
that's what we're gonna do, yeah. I'll tell you which one to pull though. Because if you open the wrong one, a
zombie pops out or something.
Exactly.
Yes.
I think I'm the one that's gonna pull the string. Hold on. Yeah, I think I'm the one that's gonna pull the string. So you tell me which color actually.
How would I know?
What color is the gem?
It's a blue gem.
It's a blue gem, so I just need to pull the blue one, I think. Let's see. I'm gonna try.
He like tricking you.
Yeah, unless I'm being tricked. Yeah, we'll see. We shall see. Alright, so which string will you pull? Blue. Okay, something happened.
Worked.
Did it come down?
Yep, it worked.
Alright, awesome.
Yep, it did.
I'm coming. Okay,
Yes.
so you just grab that blue thing. I'll meet you outside. I'm gonna grab the glasses real quick. If I were Capcom, I put Outbreak 1 and 2 together. Well, yeah, that is an idea. But recently I discovered that there was an Outbreak 3 planned as well, so if I were Capcom, I'd release Outbreak 3 as well. What's this? Blue thing? Are you out of the hallway?
I'm in the hallway, yeah.
I'm coming now. Meet me around the corner. I'm gonna put the glasses there.
Killing the zombie. Dead.
Put the glasses on, and then we're gonna take the shortcut. I think she had to leave. I think Sakura had to leave. I just hope she doesn't die, but we can't just stick around waiting for her to come back because she might not come back. Is she still on voice chat anyway? Did she leave on voice chat? Let's see. She's muted. Alright, let's keep going.
Well, handgun.
I'm gonna go there for now.
Or
What? That wasn't gonna do
One of
it.
those. Yeah.
Lock
Hey
it.
there! Come on!
Come on!
I got a lot of the widescreen hack working.
Oh, did
Gets
you? I
enabled.
wanna see it. I wanna see what it looks like. Hey, Tao, welcome.
I think it is enabled.
Oh, there's
Tao made it to yours too.
So this is 284. Let's go this way.
The Ada to your Leon. That's That sounds weird, but
What? The alien.
because I'm like following you.
There's a
It's
zombie.
like,
Help
I don't
me,
even.
please. Headshot.
Go now.
I'm still on fine, good. There's an herbage here. I'm gonna pick it up.
Wait, we could push this.
Oh, there's something. What is that?
My bullets, I think. That's why I like Mark, because he can use.
There's something here as well. I think. I guess you can put this as well. Oh, first aid spray. Nice. You wanna pick it up?
Many health, so that would be a good idea. Okay, thank you.
Put out. What do you mean? ¿Qué significa put out?
Yeah, it was very nice.
Watch
I had
out.
some people helping me. Some people helping me with the widescreen hack.
Yeah, I'm gonna pick up this herb real quick.
Take it. What the hell is that?
I'm gonna use the herb. Let's go. 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 I know where to go next.
Yeah, we gotta put the jewel in.
Yeah, let's get rid of the jewel so it doesn't occupy one slot.
Okay, I'm back. Where you guys at?
Okay, we're back in
We're
the main,
on the main hall,
back in the main
yeah.
hall right now, where we started
Amazing.
basically. That's where we
There's
are.
a zombie. Oh.
So you go place that jewel over here. Yeah. Good. Nice.
Alright.
Let's go get the other one now. I know where to go. If I'm not mistaken, it's over here. I think it's this door. If I'm not
Oh
mistaken.
my god! Zombies! 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 Get it up on me! Yeah! No! Oh! No! Yes! Oh Jesus!
Students
Or
affair
Sakura.
office. It's where the students have affairs.
Oh my god!
No! Stupid zombie!
Save, I'm in the main hall.
No! 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 How did zombies can go through doors?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm in the with the you push the thingy.
Yeah, just go
How
back.
can they
Just
walk-
go back where we came
I am,
from.
I am, I am,
There's
I
zombie
am,
following.
I am. They're catching up to me.
In the hallway, I guess. Where are you? Oh, she.
So
This
this
had to
needs
be
to be.
okay.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Sakura.
Oh. Oh.
I didn't even read
I'm
it.
exhausted. I'm exhausted.
You have health. You have health though, right?
Wait.
3? Zero.
Oh,
In your backpack, you have a red and a green herb.
I know. Oh, Jesus. I thought it was you, one of the
0325,
zombies. Okay, I want to
0325.
walk away. Wait, hold it. I need somebody to cover my butt.
I'm doing the clock puzzle thing. If you want to come hang out, that's where I am. If you want to just come here. Up to you. 03.
I forgot. I
Okay.
don't. Wait. I don't know how to do this thing. The combination of red.
Okay, I just got the second. I just got the second gem, so we can just meet in the main hallway again. I'm on my way back.
I'm gonna escort you.
Okay, I don't know how to mix them.
Are you guys together?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're upstairs in the main hall, but
Alright.
she's trying to mix the herbs.
Okay. I'm coming back. I'm about to go back to the moose head or whatever that is.
Okay, I don't know what buttons to put. I
Back?
don't know how to. Okay, I'm in a backpack.
0 is the button you need to push to.
Yeah, well, it's not letting me fix myself. It's not letting me pass anything.
Backpack. I think you gotta take them out of the backpack. Select it, and what's the thing it says? What does it say?
Alright,
Alright, well, let's go down to the first floor.
alright.
I see you guys. I hear you. I mean,
Oh,
there's zombies
the
around as
cam.
well. I hear zombies.
Okay,
I think
The
it's
camera.
so. I think it's so innovative
Okay.
that zombies even come into the main hall now. Like I was so impressed when I saw zombies coming into the main hall. Like what? Usually the main hall is always safe from.
It's safe.
Okay.
Hiding. Yay.
Yeah, Jack makes a good point. Jack says Sakura, besides Raccoon City, was nuked before RE3, so there's an RE3, it's not the same university. You know, so yeah, it
okay.
can't be the same university. In RE6, Raccoon was nuked.
Ah.
Shit!
Look at that booty.
Alright, so
Who's
now,
that doctor?
I don't know. I think he was working on the daylight serum and he got murdered or something. Alright, so I just need to get the password.
It's in the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4. It's 4. 4284. 4284. Let's not forget that. 4284.
Oh, not with my screen. Okay.
I have no clue. 44284.
Is that room cleared out?
There's a few pills I think that you can pick up.
Okay, okay. Let me pick up a few things.
I'm gonna activate the elevator in the meantime.
Okay, 44284, remember that.
4284. I'm gonna activate the elevator real quick. Do you know which door is that?
No clue.
It's okay. There's a zombie here. Careful, careful, careful. I think it's this one.
Wait. Any goodies to pick up?
I don't know.
I don't see anything.
It's just some pills, I think. I picked one up myself. But I think there was another one or two.
Virus, but
Well, my game's in Japanese, so I cannot read.
What did we say? 4284?
44284.
8. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
main hall now.
Ooh. I'm gonna have to take the elevator, guys. I'm sorry, being chased by a zombie. Meet me in. Meet me in. They got me.
So let's go. Oh no.
Meet me in B4F. I'm in B4F. I went B4F. Because I don't have ammo, so I had to.
E4F. E4F.
Yeah, meet me in B4F.
There's the
Elevator.
map.
Did you find the elevator room first of all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh no.
You guys are together still, yeah?
Wait. What did I count for? What floor?
B4F.
Far left.
Okay,
yeah,
I hear
that's the one.
footsteps. Someone's here. Okay. That's good for Sakura. There you go. Alright, let's go. If you want to pick up some goodies, there's some blue herbs over here. Looks like there's a map here as well. What's this?
Damn.
Alright.
Camera.
I'm taking this door that looks like a refrigerator
Wait,
door or something.
okay.
Yeah, pick those up because
All of them?
they'll definitely. Yeah, I would pick both of them up. because we'll
I'm
need-
froze.
Alright.
For a second.
Guys, take that door, start running. There's gonna be a bunch of spooders, so be careful. We're gonna be dealing with spooders.
Buddha! Hola, wanna see? What?
So get past the spooders, keep going straight, and then you're gonna be in the old subway rail siding. I'm gonna wait for you next to the yellow vehicle.
Yeah,
I'm gonna pick up this
kinda
machine gun
helping.
because I still don't have a weapon.
I don't have any. Uh-oh. Okay, where am I going? Sure, right? Now I'm hurt. Dang it.
Don't touch anything. Let me get you out of here. Oh. Sakura,
I'm not
I got
touching
you.
anything.
I can't get you. Alright,
You know.
I'll just go, yeah.
What are you doing?
Okay.
What are you trying to
About
do?
nukes is everything in the
Okay.
blast radius gets covered in nuclear radiation. So Raccoon City would be like a city of... I don't know if you ever saw the ending of the scenario. Welcome guys. You guys are together, yeah? I hope.
Yes.
Okay, good. Ooh,
Yeah,
But
trying to
Slim
save
Thing. Is
Sakura's
she okay?
ass.
Is she
Oh, hold on.
okay?
I'm bored. I'm bored. Well, can we get the herb?
Let me hold you.
Let-
Let me hold you.
Oh.
I take you to your bitch. Let's go. I'll take you to the sweet, sweet herb bitch.
Sakura does have 2 blue herbs on her.
Take the herb bitch. Take the herb bitch and use it. Oh, you're poison actually. Use the blue herb.
I am. Oh, wait.
Backpack, you have blue herbs, so...
Okay, hold on. Let me access my backpack. Buttons. I'm in American style. Okay. Alright.
Alright, so now guys, I'll guide you what we need to do. Just stick with me and we won't fail.
No problem. Okay.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hey.
We're on the timer.
Okay,
Go.
okay, okay.
Let's go.
Wait.
Wait,
My
come
shoulder.
on. Let's go.
Okay, wait.
Come on.
Where are you?
Thanks.
Come on,
Okay,
let's go.
okay.
Please help.
The camera angle is killing me. I'm telling you.
Come on.
Come on.
Listen,
Reminds me
I
of
have a
RE5.
short legs. I got short legs.
Chris, shove her.
Sakura's bodyguard right now.
Alright, so let's go this way. Let's go this way because of the bees. Let's avoid the bees and go this way. Because there's a bunch of bees over there, so at least... And there's
Bees?
also a
Oh.
machine gun here. Submachine gun or an assault rifle. Jack, don't yell at me. Alright, watch out guys.
Okay. You. Oh. Okay.
Alright, let's keep going straight. There's a spray. See if you want it.
I'll take.
There's an umbrella. See if you need it.
Is there a gun here?
Oh, there's an assault. Is it a rifle? What is it? It's an
Oh
assault.
shit! Oh!
Alright.
Umbrella? Can I use umbrella as a weapon?
No. This is
Crap.
being funny.
There's an iron pipe, I think, on the ground.
Oh! I went through the door.
No, don't go through the door. You're gonna be on the outside. There's bees out there. Watch out.
Wait, do I have a weapon? No.
Let's go. Oh, zombie. And we're gonna go.
Sakura, you want this machine gun?
Wait. I'm trying to move the items out of my bag to my pocket.
This is it. Come
What
on.
you say? Oh, there's a red herb.
Let's go. As soon as you get out of
Oh,
this,
hey, Stars member. Thank
as
you
soon
so
as
much.
you exit, straight for the door. Okay, don't waste time. Straight for the door, cause there's a bee or wasp, whatever it is.
Can't get out of this
What?
thing.
Straight for the door.
Screen.
Straight for the door opposite the.
Okay, I'm sticking like glue. How you end up over there? What the f—
Hey, it's true. What we have here, what we have here is an outbreak session without True. All right, without your fat ass character. Well, your fat ass character is actually here.
True, come
You
on, help
start-
me.
Where's Ari Talk? We need to wait for Ari Talk. Whoa, what's that? What's that noise? Alright, what we need to do now is go through this hole over here.
Okay, I got no weapons. I got no room to put in my pocket
Sakura.
because I am the first aid. Oh.
Across.
True, we're still struggling to finish this without getting carried, because usually we're always getting carried in this scenario. All right, guys, we need to do this. Somebody protect me while I cross. Help me,
I got no room.
help me, please.
I got
Oh,
no—
nice shot.
Nice. I got no weapon. I got. Wait. Let me check if I have room.
That's okay. Don't worry about room.
I got no room.
Team.
Okay, I crossed pretty much. You guys go next. Come on. I'll wait for you. The game is very generous when it comes to our bitches, huh?
Here. Come on. Help. Mark.
Okay. How am I gonna run through here? Oh,
Lucky
that way.
used replace companion. It was super effective. True fainted. Good. Alright, once you're done, into this hole over here.
True. From Sussex. From Britannia. Welcome.
And that was so funny last time you played.
Oh man, red herb.
I don't have room.
Whoa, so many zombies in here. Easy now.
Oh shit, I just came out of the tunnel. Get off my feet. Okay.
Making the hole.
There's so much. Oh my god, thanks guys.
What?
I got no weapon. I got no weapon.
Sorry, I'm running out of ammo as well. I need to be careful. But that was so funny last time you streamed Sims.
Hello,
that was so
love.
funny. I aged. I'm an old man. I'm old. All right, so I don't know. We're gonna do this puzzle again. I don't know if I can do this.
Wanna do a contest, I guess. Let's see.
All right, you guys do it while I fix my pocket.
I don't know how this is done. What the heck? How's there a zombie here? How's there zombies? Who opened the door? Somebody unlocked the door.
They came in.
Somebody unlocked the door. You shouldn't unlock the door.
Not me.
Not me. I solved the puzzle.
I was fixing my damn pocket, and I.
Freaking hell, help, guys! Freaking you freaking let zombies in, and now you're getting paid for it.
No. No.
Freaking hell.
I'm coming. I'm coming in.
That's okay, I made it out. I made it out. Shadow,
I'm
hello.
in the door. Ah. Whew.
If you are in hospital and you cut off 3 fingers, how are you typing?
Carefully.
Oh.
All right.
Run.
This way.
I am.
Where's Aritok? Oh, there we go. Vlocky getting wrecked without me.
Come on, True. I love. Come on, join the love. We miss you buttocks. You cheeky buttocks.
Alright, now hold on. I need to think where we go next. This way.
Okay.
Wait.
I got no weapon.
What's this?
I'm the first.
Sakura, I'm trying to get the machine gun here.
Okay. How do I? Okay. Come on, grab it.
Guys, go up this ladder over here.
Oh. Ew.
With the hand that didn't get cut off. Okay, fair enough. I hope that doesn't hurt.
Here.
And how did you cut them off anyway? What happened? What did you do? Alright, now. I'm gonna wait for you guys to show up.
Okay. Wait. No.
There you go.
Get up.
What's this? Ah, no.
All the way down
Guys,
here.
there's a pesticide spray. Somebody pick this up. We're gonna need this.
Wait.
Somebody
I'm
who's
coming.
good at aiming.
I'm coming.
Alright, I'm coming.
Okay, there's a pesticide spray here. Somebody needs to take it, and we're gonna shoot some bees with it.
Okay, got it. I got it.
Are you gonna? Do you know how to use it?
Sakura, here's a handgun. I need to free a space, so...
Here.
I don't have room.
Give me a pesticide. Can you give me that?
Wait.
No.
Pesticide. Wait. I gotta get used to this thing. Wait.
Oh man, sorry to hear.
Okay, can you take it out my
Look,
bag?
you survive a zombie apocalypse. I probably can
Present
survive
it.
a zombie apocalypse.
Present the pesticide.
Yeah,
This
take
is
it.
it.
Take it.
I
There you go.
probably
You got a
can.
handgun now.
I'll probably lock myself in,
Yeah.
and I'll never get bitten. All right, we're gonna go through this door that says "Do not enter." As soon as we go through this door, there's an elevator right in the middle. We have to go straight for it. Okay? Just keep running towards the.
True, please come and join us. We need you.
Run!
I'm running.
Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Oh! You son of a biscuit! I might even get poisoned. Oh my goodness, seriously, twice? Yeah, I'm so fine. Go through the door, go through the door. Go through the door. Go through the door.
Son of a...
Whenever you guys are in. Okay, good. We're waiting for Sakura now. Sakura, we're waiting for you.
I'm hurt. What the? She's so... Oh, God.
Oh no, I heard.
Open the door.
No, you just
Open the
click
door.
on it and it opens.
Oh.
Come on.
Okay, I'm down.
Come on! Come here!
I'm down.
What?
Please help!
You suck. Come in. Come in.
I'm getting...
Come on.
Come on!
Hey, no, hey, nobody. Welcome. All right, let's go. You should heal though. Heal up. Heal up.
You got 8 spray, there you go.
Yes. Now
And
equip your
use your bluer.
pesticide spray, guys. Equip your pesticide spray. Whoever has one, it's about to get real right now.
Wait, do you want me to equip my pesticide?
Whoever has a
Oh,
pesticide
crap.
spray, equip it. It's about to get real now. Make sure you have a good aim. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this.
Pesticide.
Ooh, nice. Nice. I got 2 with 1 pop. Nice.
Oh man.
We got all of them. We got all of them.
Ow.
That was epic.
Nice.
No way! Move!
What are you
Nice.
doing?
Mark! Yoko! Mark!
Come here.
Mark! Yoko! Mark!
Okay, Shadow. Take care of yourself.
Here.
Mark! Yoko! Mark!
Thank you so much.
Good.
You see?
La la la
This is
la
the
la
first
la
time
la
ever
la
we killed all of the bees. Usually we just launch them.
la. Let's dance.
We didn't need Woggy last time. We were running around to avoid them.
Yeah. Is anybody poisoned
Move it.
anyway? Is anybody poisoned? Yoko, I think
Yeah.
it's poisoned.
Sakura is.
Yeah.
Sakura is.
I am? But I used the blue herb.
I don't think you
Yeah,
did.
So,
No, you're a
thank you
poison.
so much for this.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna pick up the ingredient myself. You just head for the stairs and take the door, okay? I'm gonna take care of the ingredient.
Sakura upstairs.
I am. Man, damn. I crushed these short legs. Get off of me.
I'm gonna grab the ingredient. I'm gonna grab the
poison.
ingredient. I'll be right back. You go take the door. Don't worry about me. Take the door.
Help!
Oh, son of a... Okay, I went in the door.
I failed to pick up the item, guys. Hold on. It's gonna take a while. I'm so sorry.
Any blue herb around here?
In your backpack, Sakura.
Oh,
This is not good. This is not good to be made a big boo-boo.
hold on.
Oh. Rifle ammo here too,
coming, guys.
Sakura.
If I get poisoned, please spare me a blue herb. So far, I'm not poisoned.
I have...
A full heal with a blue herb in it.
Yeah, I have...
All right, I'm coming.
Sakura,
I have
here's
it. What?
I'm coming. Wow.
Oh,
rifle.
wait.
All right. Here there should be like an extra magazine for the. Does anybody have the spare magazine for the gun?
It's a
You need it?
Sakura. Sakura.
Wait.
Oh, you have it, but okay, never mind.
Okay, hey.
Because I'm out of ammo, completely out of ammo.
Yeah, take it.
This is it.
Thanks, I'll need it. Combine.
Any...
All right, let's
Herbert?
go this door. Whenever you guys are ready, we take this door, and we got the first ingredient, by the way.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
we're good. We're
2 to go.
Like glue.
One down, 2 to go. And the second one is easy as well. Ooh,
Target is closing in!
this is the second die. This is the second ingredient.
The thing is too huge!
Look!
These 9
Look
millimeters
at
are
Drew in
useless.
his
Almost
speedo.
got him.
That's me in my
Hold on.
speedos, in my Sims.
Calm down. You must give me your blood.
You must give me your blood.
Elsa, right? Or Mikhail.
He looks like Mikhail. I don't know
Hey,
if they
something's
intended
wrong.
him to be.
Sir, let's regain our distance
Super
then.
speedo.
What the?
He gained superpowers.
When I played him first, that's what I thought. He injected him with something that made them stronger. Impressive. I won't underestimate you next time.
Impressive. I won't underestimate it next time.
That is Nikolai,
It
according to
must be
Jack.
going to the man. Might as well
Nikolai?
set
I
it
need to
up,
make some research on this guy. I don't know.
just in case.
It does look like Nikolai.
I thought it was Mikhail.
No, it's not Mikhail for sure. Alright, so we're here. So somebody needs to pick up the cards. I'm full. I can't
Oh,
pick up
wait.
anything.
Let me pick up the blue herbs just in case.
Pick up the blue herbage.
Let me see how many room do I have.
Why don't you get
I have
some
no
rest,
room.
Jazz? Why don't you get some rest? Get some rest.
Me?
No, Jazz. She said she's got a headache. Alright, so next to this body there's a key card. I need somebody to pick it up because I'm full.
I have no room. I have no room. Literally.
Oh, everybody's
room.
full actually. Well, actually, we can get
Putting
rid
down
of
the pesticides.
Yeah, we can get rid of the pesticides. I just realized that. Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
Alright, and,
okay, you want to get rid of it?
You unlock this door over here.
Oh, never mind.
Beep, boop, beep. Let's go.
We have to go.
We have to go. This is such a fun game. I love this game so much. I think this is my second Resident Evil game. My second favorite Resident Evil. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do now.
Okay, that was.
Somebody needs to have a free inventory slot. Does anybody have?
I don't have it. No,
Do
I
we
don't
need the
have
key
it.
card anymore?
We don't.
Do I need the pesticide?
No, we don't need the pesticide either. Alright, I need you guys to stay here, stand
Over
by.
there.
You know what's gonna happen, yes? I
Okay.
need you to stand here. Get ready to
Got it.
zap. I'm gonna lure the tyrant here. Sakura can just stay here, still be safe. I'm just gonna be running and
Alright.
the tyrant's gonna chase me. So just hang here. And I'm just gonna lure the tyrant. I'm gonna go get him. I'll be right back.
Okay, how do I get rid of the pesticide?
Nothing, you just need to replace it with another item when you find something that you like to pick up.
Got it.
Yeah, oh, there we go. And run, buddy, run!
Stand under the wires.
Help me, please! Okay. Is this the door I need to take? I have no idea. Waiting room. Is it this door? Okay, I'm being chased.
What is the question? What's the pill for?
It depends. What does it say? It depends what the pill says.
I don't know. I can't read.
Oh, you haven't
It's Japanese.
translated
She didn't do the translation patch.
it.
No.
You should.
This is the one. I forgot who gave it to me.
What color is it
Oh, something just came through.
Red and looks like pink or orange. I can see.
Okay,
Red
the
is-
tyrant is right behind me.
on? Red is hemostat and orange is a antivirus. And is antidote.
Oh, so I had the
Come on.
Omnia,
Holding
whatever
the
you call
tyrant.
it.
Come on.
Okay, I'm still here, waiting patiently.
I'm calling.
Kids.
Oh, he's coming!
Switch red again.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Alright, he's right behind me. I don't know if this is the door that leads to... Alright, I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. Oh, he's right behind me, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Where is he? Is he not coming? Hey, sucker.
Okay, I
Oh, he's
don't
coming!
know.
Oh! He's right behind me! He's coming, he's coming!
Okay, I'm still in the
He's
hallway.
coming! Oh no!
Oh, nice.
You got it?
Teleported.
Okay, I got it.
Nice.
I dropped the herb, whatever. Go, this way. Take this door, follow me here. Because he's gonna be up soon. Now we need to go back to the room with the elevator, basically. You remember that room with the elevator locked?
Oh, no.
The opposite side of the room.
Alright, okay, great. Where's Sakura? Sakura!
I'm still on the loading screen.
Okay, alright, that's fine then.
Can you see me?
You're out now?
Okay.
Okay, I see you now. Alright, now,
Okay.
this way. This way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. And we're going on the 3rd floor, because I'm carrying 2 ingredients right now. I'm full.
I got no opening.
Now I'm gonna get rid of these 2 ingredients, and then some herb. I need to pick up some herbs, because I'm not, I don't have any healing items at all. Alright, so, take the elevator. We're going on the 3rd floor now.
I have a lot of healing stuff for me.
That's fine, there's
Okay.
Oh, he's coming here! Did you hear that?
Oh, oh. What floor? What floor?
3rd floor.
I hear him coming.
This way? I'm gonna go place those 2 ingredients real quick. I mean, technically, there's no reason for you guys to follow me, but at least it's safe. It gives us a breather.
Okay, what is that car? Is that a car? Key car?
What?
Is that a key car? I can't see.
This says aid spray. I got it, okay.
I'm placing the ingredients now. So we got the first 2 now. Now starts the tricky part. Alright, I got 2 ingredients in. 1 more to go. Now comes the hard part. Here's where I start getting confused. So if you can memorize runes, once we get to... Okay, I need to pick up these herbs because I'm done. I'm full. I mean,
I can't carry anything. So.
Alright, so take these.
I'm gonna take an antivirus just because
Yes,
I'm at
do that.
40%.
I'm at 40.
Okay.
Yes, do that.
Red. So red and orange. What is it?
Orange.
Antivirus.
Yours says antivirus large.
Oh, okay. I have that pill.
Oh yeah, I can check your inventory from here. Yes, antivirus. You can just
Oh,
consume
okay.
it. Use it, Sakura, right away.
Do I need it?
Yeah,
Need to consume it?
Just use it, and it slows down your virus for a couple of minutes.
That one should slow it down for a while because it's a large.
Exactly. All right, so we're
Also,
gonna
you-
go through this elevator, and this time we're gonna take the B2F, if I'm not mistaken. Yep.
B2F.
Now here's, I've leaded you for 2 ingredients. From here onwards, I'm very unsure.
Okay.
So from here onwards, I'm a bit rusty. I'm gonna take this first aid spray as well. Because at this point, usually the AI just shows up and they bring me the item automatically. Alright, let's take this.
No one go near the tanks, right? No one go...
The tanks. Exactly, don't get next to the tanks.
Not go near the tanks.
Because that would trigger the...
Pyron.
That would trigger a cutscene, which releases the hunters.
Oh, okay.
This way. I love this part, it's so atmospheric. And even the music is fantastic. I think there's zombies in here, careful. Help me! Right, up the ladder over here. Am I damaged? Let's see. No, still fine. Careful, there's some herbage as well here.
I have a lot of handgun ammo, so don't worry about it.
Oh, good. I have 26 rounds in this rifle.
Cover you guys.
Okay, I just have everything first aid.
Now, I don't know which way. I'm confused. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's start this way. I don't know where this leads. I forgot.
Where are you pointing?
I don't even know. Maybe here?
The grenade launcher is in there.
Is there a grenade
I have a
launcher in
grenade.
here?
I have a grenade launcher on me, so I'm not gonna take it.
What about my speedo modeling carrier? What? Oh, there's a grenade launcher here, yeah. Somebody can have it, I mean.
Nah, I got.
I'm full.
I've got.
If you guys don't
I'm
want it, I'll
good.
take
I'm
it.
good.
I'll take
Nah. Take it. I'm fine.
it then. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna reload my thing. I cannot reload it like this.
There's a map here too.
We have to go.
Map.
Alright, I know where we need to go, I think. I hope. Good night, Jazz. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. I hope your headache goes away.
Wait, I think I... Oh, jeez. Okay, for a moment, I keep freezing. Maybe
There's a
because
shack
Chew
over
is
here.
here.
That's what I remember. There's like a... Whoa, you son of a biscuit.
Well, I was no help, I guess, because I. Okay. Oops.
Okay, so this room...
Oh, wait. I don't know which way do you go?
All the way at the end of the hallway, there's a door. All right, so this is where we actually get. You see, this is the seal. This is not sealed. This is Regent case, but it's not sealed, so this is pointless. Did I just pick it up? Oh crap! What did I do? Why did I pick it up?
What'd you pick up?
What did I put down? I put
Yes.
down something.
I mean, I would like to see True and Speedos, but I will never get to see that day.
All right, I know that the key opens this door over here. There's a door here. Red marking.
Wait. Not here? No. I got
That key is by the tank.
Alright, so at least we know that's... I dropped something on the floor. I think you picked it up. Did you find it?
I picked up the red key.
No, I dropped... Where did it go? I dropped the mixed herb. I cannot find it.
Yeah, it's right. It's in this corner here.
Yeah, that's where I dropped it, but I cannot find it. Oh, there it is. Alright, there it is. Thank you. Alright, so... Let's go this way then. Maybe if I visit Vlog, we do a speedo modeling shoot. Oh, it's happening, True.
So, make sure.
Oh, watch out, zombie right behind us.
Where'd he come from?
They just spawn.
What the hell?
They
They
spawn.
just spawn, yeah.
Die.
So you take the yellow door, guys, around the corner. Keep going straight, keep going straight. Keep going straight. Take the yellow door.
My controls keep like messing up.
Me too. Oh, wait.
Wait,
I can't. Wait, he says keep going straight this
Yeah,
way.
keep going straight till you take the yellow door, always.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I hear doors. It must be you guys. Oh, there you are. Where's Sakura? Sakura with you?
Yeah.
There she is. Okay, good. Alright, so this way, I think.
Hold on. I got a crack my neck.
What did you crack your neck? I thought you
No,
said
my,
scratch your neck.
No, crack.
Crack in my neck all the
Crack
time.
the neck. Crack the neck. Alright, so this way.
No, cause I'm holding my jaw and my neck is like holding the weight.
Are you in pain?
No, well, no, not for the time being.
Alright, so now I think what we need to do is just then just get
I have
that key and come back
160 and handgun bullets, so...
here. Is that right? What we need to do is just get that key and come back then, yes. You guys can wait here. I'll
Wait,
Oh,
remember Cindy went out this way. There's another door this way.
But what's the point of that door over there?
Oh,
does that lead?
look.
This way. There's got...
Alright, I know what. Okay, because that other, the red marking key unlocks the door. I think it's gonna be locked for you. Here's what we're gonna do. I have an idea. Here's what we're gonna do. Go to the other side and confirm that the door is locked, okay?
True.
Alright, I'll continue.
True. I would like to say something not appropriate, but this is Bloggy's channel.
Well, there's
My neck
grenade
was
ammo.
hurting because I was below your waist.
There's grenade ammo here too, in the middle.
I'll take it actually. No, don't go there, Sakura! No! You're gonna trigger the cutscene! Oh my goodness, I would have been so salty.
I purposely
While I'm like,
don't you dare go there. Hold on, stay here, Sakura.
Oh, okay, yes. To the monkey bars. Ooh.
I'm gonna grab the. I'm gonna quickly grab the. He scared the heck out of me. Because once you go over there, you trigger the hunters. Hunters everywhere, and they don't die. You put them down for a little bit, and then they just come back. All right, can you confirm that the door is locked over there? Oh no. Okay, keep going straight. I think you're gonna run into a locked door eventually.
Okay, am I staying here?
No,
Yes, stay
Waiting
there.
for
You
you
stay
guys?
there. Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm scared because the speedo monster True is gonna come to the door.
No, he's not. We're safe down here.
I'm over here too.
Yeah.
I'm going through another door too.
Yeah,
right
but you're
now.
gonna run into a locked door eventually. Electronically locked, I think it says.
True. Once you go long and
Yeah,
big and thick, you're not going
Door
there.
is electronic. I know how to unlock that. I need to grab the key, I think, from here. Alright, Sakura, you take the door we just came out of. Take it right now.
Okay. You mean that one over there? This one?
Yes.
Okay. You want to go out?
No, this one. This is the one we came out of. This one.
Okay.
Alright. You just wait for me there. Just wait for me there. I'm gonna trigger the cutscene now. I'm gonna go grab the key.
Oh, okay.
That's happening. You just stay. Everybody stay put. Basically. And I'm going to unlock the door for you in a sec.
True. Somebody leaked it, and I was like,
The gamma hunters might come up from the water to get us.
Is that a hunter? Is that a hunter?
Yes, they're gamma hunters.
Above water right now.
I just need to grab the key and get out of here.
Alright.
Door.
If I can grab the key, that would be fantastic. Let's see if I can do that.
Okay, I see a lot of.
I'm getting out of here. Get out. Oh my god.
Okay, I see. Oh! No!
Girl, get out!
No! Bloody, you made me come out! You made me come out with this door. I can't even
Dang it, I
get
took too long. What's going on? Why is everybody
Sure,
panicking?
sure,
You're
get
safe
out.
there, no? Why did you come out? Why did you come out?
No,
told
there's
you to
another
stay
frog outside. That's
The
why.
gamma hunters came after us.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
For us.
Alright. Just follow me, Sakura. Follow me.
I am.
I'm gonna unlock the door for you real quick. Just
Alright.
stay somewhere around the area. Just stay safe. I'm gonna unlock the door for you in about a minute.
Okay, where am I stand? Where am I waiting?
Just keep following me now. Keep following me. Stay with me.
Okay. Listen, I got short legs. I can't keep up with a tall guy. True.
I think we got this. I think it's gonna be the first time. Take a swallow
got
your
no
whole.
ammo.
That's what I hate about these hunters.
Wait.
I'm gonna unlock the door right now. Alright.
Wait, you meant to go all the way to...
Yes, all the way to the... I didn't pick up the key! What the heck? I didn't pick up the key! What the heck? No! How did this happen? No! I'm pretty sure I did! No! Oh man. I'm gonna go back. What the heck? I know I picked it up!
Oh!
What? I need to rewatch the stream. I want to see what happened. I picked up... I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back for it. You're free, welcome to join me. What the heck? I think I panicked and instead of
There's another zombie. There's another zombie.
Sorry about this. Ari talk.
Oh! Get off of me!
I'm just chilling.
Get off of me!
I hope you're not in danger.
No, I'm in a room just waiting.
Alright. Zombie got pickpocketed by an Assassin's Creed zombie. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Well, you know what, Bloggy? I want to stay in this room.
You stay safe, whatever. I'm gonna be there anyway. I'm back there anyway. You can stay there.
Why these zombies keep respawning?
Yep, that happens. Otherwise it would be too easy. Alright, I'm back here again. Let's see if I can pick it up again. How did this happen anyway? I'm pretty sure I picked it up. Okay. That's what I did wrong.
What?
Instead of picking up the key, I picked up the first aid spray instead. That's
Oh.
the first aid spray was right next to it. Get out of my way, you stupid! He's blocking my way!
Language! Language! I hear somebody.
What did I say when you said language? I bet it was zombie Ezio. Alright, I got the key now, I promise.
Zombie! Oh my god!
I'm on my way back, I'm on my way back.
Why they keep spawning? Get off of me!
I'm coming. I'll unlock the door in about 30 seconds.
These suckers are making me waste my...
Guys, could you guys tell me what your virus percentage is right now?
28.
28? Wow.
Oh god.
What about
Looks like I attacked 3 times.
Percent.
Let's go.
Is it unlocked?
No. I'm going now. I'm going now. In a sec.
Okay, I have
I'm about to unlock it in a couple of seconds. I just reached the room now. Okay, opening the door with the key. Unlocked it, going through. Now there should be like a control room thingy. Let's see. Alright. What do I hear? Whoa! This is not good. Alright, I reached the controls. Open. I just unlocked it. It's unlocked. It's unlocked.
Okay,
No need to follow me here, Sakura. This is too dangerous.
okay, so I'm in the medical whatever room? Storage
Somebody
room?
just opened the door. No, go back.
I am. Jeez.
Alright. So, it's in your hands now.
Should I stay here or should I follow you?
No, we just need to wait for Aritok to do the thing now.
Okay.
What do you see?
I'm going up top now. There's an office here.
It's a very small office, and you just pick up the item.
Base. Agent case.
Regent case, exactly. Just pick one of those. You just pick one of those. It should say sealed, though. Sealed, I think.
Does not say sealed.
But it should be that one. It has to be that one.
I think we have to process it in that room.
Yes, exactly. That's what I'm waiting for.
You want just bring 1 or 2?
Just one is fine.
Now. Hunters don't get me.
Do you need me to go there? Because I know where you are.
I'm good.
Actually, you know what?
Okay.
You can actually jump down in the water.
Me?
Dead. I'm coming now.
Alright. Did you actually jump down?
Yes.
Alright. Oh, there you are. Alright. Nice. Now you just use it on the machine then. Wow, we actually did it. It's the first time.
Yeah. Oh, where are you? Where do you go? Where do you go?
In the room.
I see two froggies down there. Oh, you know what? I'm out of here.
Yeah, come back.
Alright, now we just go back.
All
We
right.
need to go
Says
back.
P-base sealed.
Nice, that's it. Let's go. Follow me.
Okay.
Ready? Let's go. We're done. We're pretty much done now. All we need to do is create the vaccines that eliminates the virus out of our systems. We got the 3 ingredients. It's the first time ever. This way.
That's why.
Watch out, the zombie. Ouch.
I will grab it in no time. Let me grab it.
Take the yellow door around the corner.
I am going! Okay, what door? Which? Okay, yellow door.
Yellow door. And then, around the corner and take the white door.
Ah, my god, stupid camera!
You see now, True?
What?
We actually finished the whole thing without having to... Ooh, zombies behind me.
Oh, what the?
Let's go. Follow me.
Look at that zombie. Jeez.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Stay safe, guys.
Can I?
We got this. The door. You see, basically, we finished the whole thing without having to go through the sharks at all. We didn't have to deal with the sharks.
Nice.
Alright, everybody here, let's go.
Wait, the
up
camera
here.
is killing me.
We're gonna have to deal with the spooders one more time now.
Oh.
How are you, Juan? Another one! Get down! Alright, no, we don't have to deal with the spooders, I think. We don't have to deal with the spooders, no. I think. Hold on.
I know, right, True?
No, we don't have to deal with the spooders.
Third floor? Are we going to third floor?
Now we go to the 3rd floor, yes. I am so happy with this. 3rd floor. 3rd floor,
Wait for
everybody.
me. 3rd floor. Okay.
The thinking racist sharks. Why racist? They always get you. I remember them always getting you. Alright. So at least I've memorized. So pretty much I've memorized the scenario now.
Those sharks love white meat.
Good one.
He had shark meat. Is that what you're saying?
Alright, so
Yep.
you just put the thing in the machine so we can generate the thing. Yes, we did
The
it!
thing and the thing. Okay.
Yeah,
Oh,
here we go.
yay!
Cutscene.
5 minutes later.
Someday, I don't know. That's funny to me. Just standing there.
The power died, that's what happened. Somebody killed the power for the whole university. I put this door unlocked. Let's go. It was Alfred Wesker. Yes, you can play it on single player, yes, you can. Alright,
I am
so
too
here,
afraid to play this by myself.
let's grab some stuff over here.
Oh, I'll grab.
Oh, there's a rock. There's a grenade launch. Grenade thingy.
Please
Take
help.
it.
Wait, I'll grab Truth bazooka. Wait, do I have space?
I need
there's an assault
daylight,
rifle,
so-
and there's an assault rifle and rounds.
guys took-
I have no room. Oh, wait. What is it? What is it?
Click on it and it will tell you.
I have no room. Oh, never mind. You know what?
Pipe if you want.
Okay, I take that. Any ammo that I can use?
Ready to go?
Wait a minute, let me quit this thingy. Alright,
Let's go.
I'm ready to go.
Through this curtain. But it's much more fun playing it online. I played this on the PlayStation 2 back in the day, offline by myself. Ooh, it's Alfred Wesker.
My apologies for this place
He's
being
talking
so
more like it.
hectic. I have been monitoring your progress from here. I am grateful for your assistance. Daylight is it. The only resource against the T-virus. I cannot give it over to Umbrella. They're the ones responsible for the catastrophe which has befallen the city. In retrospect, that
True.
entire
I have a
tea
question.
project was a
Do
total
you have
disaster.
handlebars?
Brute force should not be the only criterion for a weapon. It must also be beautiful, unique, and godlike. You will also assist me. You're going to play with my ultimate creation. Yoko, it's been 2 years.
Yoko.
But you might not
I've seen
know
this
that.
before.
After all, what happened was so terrible. I think you'd want to erase it from your memory.
I've never seen that before.
You know what?
Oh.
You know what, I'm lucky? I'm gonna get myself one of those green jacket like Yoko has.
Yeah, it's his nerdy twin brother one.
Almost time.
Alright. Now what we need to do is I need to switch on the power back on. So we generate the daylight serums. We have one each. And I need to unlock the door.
Right,
Let's go. I'll take care of that.
I'll go.
What happened to my controller?
Yeah, I'll go to the daylight.
My controller died. Hold on.
What controller are you
I'll leave
using?
I don't know, went idle. Alright, so, let's go. So, reactivate the reach incubator. That's one. Found the pen, thank you, I obtained it. Now, I need to unlock the door as well. And unlock the door as well. Follow me, Sakura. We need to go get the serum. The university's gonna blow. Giggity. Alright. You're by the machine.
Let's use daylight.
Alright. So, did you get one already for yourself? Did you get one?
Let's go!
Alright, there's one. Let me put it down for right now. Use it. Alright, now. Who's next?
I don't have
grab
it.
one and use it. Grab one and use it.
Wait. Oh,
From the machine.
how much? Oh,
Go!
I had to block the blue
Yeah,
blue
drop
herb.
something and use it.
Okay, I did.
Use it. Done.
Dude.
One daylight just in
I'm
case.
gonna grab an extra one now. And I grab the extra one. Okay. I had to drop the... I had to let go of the herb, whatever. Alright, let's go. Everybody healed?
I'll make my way out. I'll get it.
Wait.
No.
Let me heal myself. Let me heal myself.
Right. Use this. Let's go.
Alright, I'm okay. Ready?
True triggered the bomb because he was left out. No! Alright, now we take the secret passage.
Did you fix it, True? Come on. Miss you.
Take the door over here.
Yay.
There's a sweet herbage here if anybody wants it. I'm full.
I'm getting it. Where? Oh, that way. You.
Follow me.
I'm going.
Let's just try to stay calm. Come on!
I'm coming. That's what I said last night.
Let's go.
Shut up.
We have to go.
Alright, we got this. Now then, this door? No, wait, this way.
Wait. What the?
Here!
I see.
Have a good night. See you later. Thank you.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, Tyrant's coming in! Tyrant's coming in! Careful, guys!
Oh shit!
Careful!
Oh my god!
Guys, okay? Alright, you made it. Follow me this way. But we need to wait for Ari to talk. We can't go without him.
Oh, no, go.
Okay, take the green door, the one next to the statue. Now we take this the thing over here. It's not a Resident Evil game if it doesn't end with a counter counting down to an explosion. I know, right? It's the first time I saw a tyrant using a door. This way?
Come on!
I can see through your big body. Oh,
Plus, this tyrant actually has the decency of covering his private area. Alright, this way, guys.
Oh, wait.
I'm big bone. Sorry.
Whoa, he's coming! He's coming, guys! Careful! This way. The tyrant is here, guys. Careful. We're out. Don't be a prude. Yeah, he's got his decency to cover the genitals.
Yeah, the decency to cover the genitals.
Yeah, he's wearing
He
a
put a
Speedo.
speed on.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put this down real quick. Combine with what's going on? Don't present.
Take this.
No!
Take
What are you
this.
doing? Combine
Wait.
this. Not this. Alright, we're good. I have 13 grenade rounds. I think we should be fine.
Okay.
Blitz, so we're fine.
Yeah, I think we're fine. We have 2 minutes to kill now. 2 minutes to put the controller down, make a drink, have a drink.
Okay, so let me go to the restroom for 4 minutes.
Yeah, don't take more than 2
I'll be right
minutes.
back. Be right back.
Wash your hands.
Me too.
You too? We got this. We got this. So what's up? I was just thinking about the clouds moving. It's such a great atmosphere. Have you seen the bridge? Let me show you the bridge. Look at the bridge. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that bridge. Such a beautiful view. Here's what I'm thinking. As far as I can see, so there seems to be quite a distance to the other side. It's amazing. Not to mention that but even the graphics look amazing. It's not just the clouds. The game looks gorgeous. And actually, on the emulator, with enhanced graphics, looks better than the original PS2 version. Maybe I should build something like that on Minecraft. Let me take a look at it again. Hold on. 35 seconds, guys. I hope you all peed. The London Bridge. No, it's not the London Bridge. Far from it. It's a beautiful bridge, though. Alright, let's go, guys. Did you guys pee? Come on. Nobody's back. It's every man for himself, then. Bye. Nobody's back yet. 10 seconds. Sakura?
Yeah.
You're back. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Okay, Ari talks back as well. Alright, good.
I was actually back. I was making you sweat. Sorry.
Good one. Well played. Those actually words.
Is he gonna freak out or?
Guys, be careful. There's bees now. Remember, there's bees now. As soon as the cutscene ends, there's gonna be bees in the area.
Oh, jeez.
We should just go for the road, right? Like...
Get to the chopper now!
Is anyone down
Every
there?
chopper never survive.
We're here to get you out.
Please.
Somewhere close. There's a
The
car
helicopter's
coming
never
in your
supply.
direction. Go there. We don't have much time. Hurry.
Very rarely.
Now the tyrant changed from tyrant to Bandersnatch. Bandersnatch tyrant.
Banger.
Yeah.
Cute.
Let's keep going, guys. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Because there's the bees. Zigzag. Left and right.
Ow!
Whoa, 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 I saw that. Help, please. Oof, oof. Zigzag can take the small door over here.
No!
I'm out of here.
No! No!
I'm safe. I'm
No.
safe. Come on, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. All that's left is dealing with the tyrant now. I'm gonna go up the ladder. You know what? I need to pee as well, but I didn't pee because I was worried that. Hold on, I saw some grenade rounds. I'm gonna pick them up.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm gonna go get them. I have 21. I think it's gonna be enough. Alright guys, I think
There's
we got
another
this.
grenade run up here. Can you climb up?
Now you just need to climb down now again.
Activate
Oh.
tyrant, I think.
They were glitching, the bees, eh? Were they glitching for everyone else or was it just me? I saw them
You're-
glitching.
Not me.
Kinda teleporting from one side to the other. I just realized I was being selfish. I was grabbing all the grenade rounds. When
I don't have a
when
grenade
Sakura-
launcher, so...
Yeah,
What?
you have there's also grenade rounds over here if you want. Sakura, if you want. On the container over
Hey,
here.
Robert.
If you want, there's over here. Because I've been snatching them and not realizing that someone else has a grenade launcher. It's not fair.
No,
So you can
I don't have a
these.
grenade launcher.
Yes, you do.
Hey,
I see
Wait,
it.
what? Do? I do? Wait a
Yeah,
minute,
it
wait
has
a minute,
burst
wait a minute.
rounds. I see it.
Oh,
You're
I can't, I don't have room.
Alright.
You know what?
Alright.
You know what? Wait. I'm gonna drop another. I have a, like, brace. Drop that.
I want to do that too.
Let's go. What are you doing?
I don't know. Signaling the helicopter. Alright, let's go. I got 21. I got 21.
Wait.
What's your weapon? Alright, talk. What's your weapon? Handgun.
Gun. Yeah.
What? Seriously?
It's daylight, we'll need it.
Yeah, I got the daylight as well. Alright, here we go. Jack is like, stop
Last
wasting
time.
ammo! Here comes Bandersnatch, look.
Bandersnatch?
Yeah, it's the ones in Code Veronica with one arm, but they can stretch it.
That's true.
Look at all those, look. Alright, guys, spam your ammo. I hope it doesn't glitch. Last time it was glitching hard, huh?
It's teleporting tyrants. Watch
Yeah.
out.
I hope it's not the case.
Yeah.
Careful now, careful. I think it's teleporting again. I think it's teleporting again. La, 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 la.
He ran through me. Is it me or anybody saw that? He ran through me. Oh, he teleported.
Yeah, he's teleporting, guys. Careful.
Oh no. No time to reload.
Wow, that was hard. He's gonna teleport.
Oh.
He's gonna jump on. That's right.
I got no. Oh shit.
Nice. Jump.
Son of a bitch!
Watch your mouth, Mark. Oh man, I was reloading when he jumped on me.
I was reloading. Bastard.
Oh crap, he did auto-aim. It makes it a little more of a challenge, you teleport though.
Well, you gotta let me reload.
Oh, come on, dude, he just teleports everywhere. I need to heal. No, I'm not gonna heal.
Wait.
Okay, I think I need to heal now.
Got a critical
Yes! Got him! No.
Nice.
Yes, nice! With your pistol. You got him with your pistol. Look what V4 just said. We finished it, guys. GG.
Listen, I would like. Wait, is True still here?
That's all V4 thinks about.
Is True still here?
I don't know. True.
Well, this is the fake out GG here.
I know. I love that. I love that it's a fake GG.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, this is not the GG?
No.
No.
What up?
Oh no. Worst part. This is worse.
It's not GG yet. Alright, I'm gonna grab the gun. Oh man, I think we're gonna miss again.
Scary guy. This guy's scary.
I think I'm gonna grab the gun. I'm gonna try it again, but I'm scared because he's teleporting everywhere again.
So learn his pattern. Learn his pattern. That's all I can suggest.
Guys, keep him busy while I combine the items. Alright, let's see. Just gonna give him a sec to land when he jumps. I got him. That's it. GG. I got him.
Oh, what gun did you have?
I got him with the cure.
Yeah, it's a capsule shooter. Yeah.
True's still here, yeah.
I
love the outro, it's fantastic.
Okay, is this the GG?
Yeah, it is the GG now. And I love watching Raccoon City blow up. Much better than RE3. It's look at this. See the bridge blowing up.
What a waste of money.
How it works in File 2, I forgot.
It's so much more better. It's so much better than RE3. Look at this.
Yeah, Raccoon City came out ahead.
Rip Raccoon City.
Rip Raccoon City no longer exists.
Actually, some of this footage was used also in RE4 when they recapped what happened to Raccoon City. This footage also used
making it out alive, but I don't feel like doing it.
RE4.
I've lost too much, and any trace of what once was has been obliterated. I've succumbed to weakness.
V4, yes, I love.
Comadre.
Yes. Hey, I will blow any city.
I love this song. I love this music. We're gonna enjoy this music. We cannot skip it anyway. I don't think we can skip it. Can we?
Oh, you wanna skip it?
We cannot skip it.
No, we can't.
It can't be skipped.
Rip. You can skip the credits, right?
No, I tried.
Wait,
it won't work.
I can't. I skipped. Start.
I pressed start. It won't work for me. I'm pressing everything.
I press star. I'm seeing an airplane.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not working for me.
I just skipped the credits.
Oh, okay. It worked now. It worked. Okay. Watch this. It's like Marvel, a post-credit scene. Look, this is what I was talking about, Jack. Look.
Target will soon be in visual range. Hurry up. You only have 15 minutes left to get out of there. Roger.
Wait, True, you wait. It's 5:40. You eating dinner at 5:40? Such an old dude.
Here are today's results. It's been 6 months, but the number's still the same. There's no way people could sustain life there.
Not humans, no.
Sir, there's a call for you from the head office.
Put it through.
You ever seen this, Sakura?
Yes.
I have. Okay.
Is everything ready?
Yes, we'll be dropping 2 for each.
I am in
sample T4. The rest will
Is it
follow
a
at
tower?
15-minute
Wait a minute,
Like-
wait a minute.
Here.
They are in Raccoon City. Look, they're in the middle of Raccoon City.
Okay.
I love this. There is so much potential of making a game on this location.
Okay. Difficulty is the, I don't know what's the next, 18%. Man, Franksy, I'm not happy.
Yeah, C rank.
Easy 54% rank C. That's not bad.
It says Kevin and Yoko dead on my end. Is
What?
That... Yeah.
No, mine says everyone's alive. Ah, I
Oh,
see that
mine
your
says-
username is Aritalk now. I just realized.
Yeah, I see it. But my end says, alive.
No, even me. Alive. That's
Yeah.
so weird.
Dead.
Yes, it is Sakura, Trevor. Yes, it is.
Okay.
Welcome to the stream, by the way. So, I don't know about you guys. You want to do another round of maybe Outbreak File 2, perhaps? Do you want to go Outbreak File 2?
Outbreak 5?
Outbreak File 2. File 2.
Oh, I don't know. I never play a file.
That was good, Vloggy. That was good.
It was, wasn't it? I'm gonna save.
I can switch it. Yeah, I can switch it out.
Okay, so you wanna
let me try. Let me see. Save.
Yeah, alright, let's switch it up. Let's do Outbreak File 2. But I'm gonna go pee real quick. So let me
Go
just
ahead.
save and quit here. That file will be updated. Saving. So make sure it saves before I close it off.
Alright, let me close it off.
Okay.
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em
Do a
all.
Pokemon Master Quest.
You are my destiny, Pokemon.
Yes, alright. So I'm gonna switch the game now. Oh, you kids these days.
Okay,
So, ISO selector, Outbreak File 2, swap disk.
I don't know if I've ever switched discs before. So selector.
Boot fast, yes, and it should be fine. What do I mean potential with the cutscene? As in, they were still performing experiments and they just said that there were still signs of life after blowing it up. You know, they were still performing experiments there. It wasn't over. And the city was supposed to be in quarantine, but there's officials there performing experiments and tasks, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna go pee. Guys, enjoy this cutscene. I love this intro. So I'm gonna go pee and I'll be right back.
Capcom presents. Okay. Oh, Cindy, okay.
I'm back. You guys still there? No?
Yeah.
Alright, I was wondering, which scenario would you like to play?
I have no clue because I never played Fallout 2.
Well, I mean, common sense dictates you start from 1. And the first scenario is actually the one Wild Things, the one in the zoo. You wanna go with that one?
Biohazard.
Okay, horror mode is in secret area.
So hold on.
Sorry, what?
Okay, it says horror mode is in secret area, have horror in testing zone, and remember to get your daily dose of SD3. What is that?
I'm not so sure what you're saying.
OUTBREAK. File 2.
Okay. Free area, nightmare, survival, panic,
No, we need to go free
infantry.
area. I'll create the room, don't
Free
worry.
area.
I'll tell you.
Alright.
Previous connection. Next. Please don't get stuck. Alright, sometimes it pauses on a percentage, like, is it gonna freeze?
Yeah, sometimes it happens to me. Like,
Right, I couldn't hear it
wow.
because my volume is so loud right now.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Philly! Con
Philly!
Chili!
How are you, Mr. Philly? Nice to see you. We're playing some Outbreak with Sakura and Resident Evil Talk. For those of you that don't know, Resident Evil Talk has his own channel, so if you want to check out his point of view,
Yeah, he's a hardcore.
I will check out his
streamer.
point of view as well after the stream. I like to see what he was up to while I was doing something else. You know, I like that. All right, so enter
Which
lobbies.
scenario that we did the other night on your stream.
Philly, I hope you feel
Oh,
better.
you're sick. Oh, sorry to hear.
Plugging in now.
Yeah, RE Talk is a amazing streamer. Oops, soft promote.
Thank you. Okay.
My screen went black
No,
for a
because-
while. Took a while. I got worried.
Because I don't wanna get time out by vlogging.
No, as if. I just shouted them out myself.
You see, horror mode is in secret area, half horror is in testing zone, and remember, get your daily dose of SZ3.
So free area, we're going.
You know what, Vloggy Buddy also, you know, he's a good streamer too. So you know, you should sub to him and all that good stuff, fun stuff.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's the master at Pokemon. He'll crack you. Trust me.
Sorry, Jack. Yeah, sorry, I missed
Craft, Resident
Look,
Evil.
If there were two, I would feel like into a mix between Stalker and Ari. What? If there were two, I'm sorry, I did not get that sentence. I'm sorry. So free area. Free area. So I'm setting up a room real quick. We're gonna start with, what do you guys? We start with Wild Things. Wild Things. Dun, 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 dun. You make my heart sing.
Who make your heart sing?
Isn't that what the song? Isn't that how the song goes? I don't know. Now,
Wow, listen,
are we gonna go?
Vloggy,
We're gonna go
Vloggy beat my buttocks in Pokemon, and I was battling him with 3 Pokemon. Kappa.
Alright, I called the room Ari Talk.
Oh, nice.
Easy, Wild Things, Kevin. Finish. Alright, so the room is ready, guys.
Okay.
Free to join. I don't think we're gonna do this one, huh? I have no idea how this one's done. Nothing.
Wild Thing? What? I played Wild Things just a while ago, so...
I only finished it once, and I was carried. I was carried how to do it, so I don't know. Vloggy's Pokeballs, what?
I haven't gone online with File 2, I'm confused. This is different.
I know, yeah.
Alright, you guys are all in, yes? I see 3 people, that's you guys, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
I'm not in yet, I'm not in yet.
Really? Oh, wow, I got 4 people in here. I got 4 people in here.
I'm
right
Yoko.
now, but there's someone playing as Reagan or something.
Alright, but you are in, yes?
Paula kicked me out. No.
What? How?
No.
Wait,
Somebody-
that's not right.
somebody-
I created
People
a
are
room
trying
called
to get
Ari
in.
Talk. I created a room called Ari Talk. And it has 4 people in.
Yeah. Get in.
I'm not in.
What?
I was creating my character. Somebody took Yoko.
Created you. So it's not you. So who are these guys?
No.
Who are these people
Loggy or
then?
something.
Can I put a password on then? I'm exiting then. I'm exiting. I'm creating another room.
Because I know how to do that now. Just keep it like really short, I guess.
What, the password? Yeah, usually just like ABC123 or something like that.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Unless they're listening in on the stream, which I doubt. I think they're
doubt
just
it.
people on there.
Yeah, question. Is the characters from Outbreak is the same as Fallout 2?
Sorry, what?
Is the same? The characters from Outbreak is the
Yeah, I
same
think
one
so.
as? Okay. Oh, somebody just made a game called Hard Mode.
Sorry, I meant if they continued RE based on what that cutscene implied, a game that it would feel like a mix between. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. I see what you mean now. All right. Yeah, if you have the game set up V4, by all means, you're welcome to join. And I'm serious. Easy wild things. All right, I created the room. The password is ABC1. Okay, ABC1, and the room is called Ari Talk. Do Bork as part. Next time I'll do it. I'll do it Bork. Yes. Next time it will be Bork.
Oh,
or Lil.
But no. Right, I'm in Vloggy.
Alright, yes, I see 2 people.
Oh, wait. Man. Oh, ABC what?
ABC1.
Damn, this keyboard.
Maybe one day we'll have so many people watching that we won't be able to share the password on stream because so many people would be joining. We will have to keep them off, so we will have to share the password on Discord. I think it did get like that last year when I played Quiplash. So many people were joining. That requires just the phone.
Oh crap! I typed the wrong password. Crap.
Vloggy XV4 ever and ever, and that's the best password. Oh ho. And to be honest, lore based, both serious, are a few things in common. I don't know. I still think that they can still pull off a good Resident Evil game based on what's left of Raccoon City. I don't know. That's what I think. Sakura, you sleeping?
No, I'm trying to get in. It's like this. I need a translator pack.
Hey, Sakura.
Yep.
On the far left column.
Did you
3
join?
down.
Wait. Did you join? I see 3 people in the game.
I'm in.
Alright, that's you.
Okay, you are in. Oh, she got in.
She got in. Giggity. Alright,
oh no! He kicked me out.
How did
What
you get kicked out? How did you get kicked out? I didn't kick you.
Oh. Okay, hold on. Let me type the password. ABC1. You said far left. What?
ABC1.
English. I on the far left column. I go the 3rd button down. I think if you hit that, it'll switch it to English keyboard.
Exactly.
Okay.
He's gonna join us too. Yeah, right.
Okay. How you go? Okay. Okay. The next screen is. I can't understand. Is this left or right?
Here's what we're gonna do. I cannot do this properly.
Alright, I'm in. Okay, option on the bottom. Yeah, on the bottom options. On the bottom options. Left, middle, or right?
You're in. I see 3 people in. Is that you?
Yes.
Alright, starting the game then. We're good.
Oh, okay.
Next time I'll show you how to switch the keyboard if you don't know how.
Alright.
You help her out with the translation pack too, because
yeah, it's very straightforward actually. It's not really hard to do that one. The Delta Patcher. You need something called the Delta Patcher. I can help you with that one. Shh, I love this. I love this. Just when you thought you've seen everything, when it comes to zombies. Raccoon Zoo.
They even eat animals? How good. Oh, poor creatures. Bye-bye gorillas, gazelles, zebras. That one? A camel? Oh, holy crap, a rhino. They're eating it. Oh, this stuff is
Right, I'm somewhat familiar with this scenario.
Awesome. Just gonna follow you around then.
Are we on easy? Are
Yes,
we on
we are on
easy?
easy, yes.
Of Raccoon City.
Zombie Fant, yeah.
That looks like the city zoo's rear gate. If a rescue team's on the way, I'd better hurry. I have kind of a bad feeling about this, but it looks like I should check it out.
I don't think radiation can be an issue in the game. They will just put them make them wear suits and that's it. Like they're gonna do with the DLC of RE7 and Chris. He's gonna be wearing a gas mask and all that. And he's gonna be having an areas where it says clear areas where you can actually bring without mask and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna pick up one of these. Okay, ooh, there's a gun. Hello. Oh, what's this? Actually, what is that? Hold on, I got something.
Okay, what's that? What's that?
Auto magazine. All right, 45. Okay. I'm gonna leave that gun. Somebody can pick up the gun if you want.
What kind of gun? What kind of gun is that?
There's a gun next to Cindy.
Oh, I'll take it.
All right, let's go.
Okay.
I'm gonna equip my gun real quick.
Wait, me too. I want to equip.
You okay?
Me?
What I like about this game is that you can actually aim and walk. This is new. This is completely new. Alright, where do we go?
Okay. I don't know.
What's wrong here?
Wait a minute!
Basically.
I'm following you.
Wait. This camera angle's killing me because
There's bolt cutters in this room that we need to get.
Hey, Martin! I wish you joined us earlier.
Okay, I don't know. You went into the
We went to the restaurant. It's called Elephant Restaurant.
Okay, come here.
I found bolt cutters, I think.
I'm already in.
What? How?
Yeah, I'll unlock it here. Wait, it doesn't let me unlock.
Are you on the other? Oh, I see you on the other side. There's some pliers. Did you pick up the pliers or whatever, bolt cutters or whatever?
I got it. Yep.
Okay. So
the zoo gate now.
Okay, so we can just unlock the zoo gate. Where's Sakura? Sakura?
I'm right here.
Okay.
Where's here?
Right here.
So yeah, this is the first Resident Evil game in which you can aim. While aiming, you can actually walk as well. I like that. Yeah, Juan, just so you know, we finished Outbreak File 1. And we're playing File 2. This is like the sequel, basically. We're in a zoo now.
There's an herb over there.
I'll take it.
Yeah,
I'll take it. Never mind.
How did you point at it?
Time to go.
Alright, he just
Yeah.
spoke. How cool.
You can hold it down.
That is awesome. You can point at stuff. I like that.
Move out.
You see that?
Time to go. Thanks.
Nice, I like that. You can point. Alright, let's go.
The zombie teleported.
Yeah, raccoons, but it hasn't blown up yet again. Exactly, if this is a sequel. And Raccoon City was blown up. But this game doesn't really have a story, it's just different scenarios.
Vloggy, I should tell you, I did not complete this scenario, though. I did die.
Don't suppose we can expect
no
a
problem.
welcome party.
I got most of it done. It was towards the end I died.
No problem.
Is that the elephant boss that you died at?
We do deal with an elephant later. Is it the boss? Yeah, it is the boss.
Oh, yes, it is. Yes,
it's the boss. Yeah, it is the final boss.
There's tigers or whatever that are really bad. Yeah. Bad.
Why did they think this was a good idea to go into the zoo in a zombie outbreak?
I don't know.
No idea.
There's a rescue.
Lito.
All right, I'm gonna follow you. Everybody, just follow Ari talk.
Map though right here, so I think.
Whoa!
Jesus!
He's dead.
Rip
No,
Cindy.
don't follow me.
There's a map there. Okay.
Okay, I need to reload my gun.
Nah, don't worry about reloading your gun right now. Just jump for your life.
I am, but I got short legs.
Ah, he's giving up. Actually, the zombie took off. He left. The zombie
Yeah, no,
left.
let's go.
The elephant left. Is it this way?
I think they're locked though. Let me. Oh nope, it's not. Let's go this way.
Alright. Blocky Stalker was unforgiven with radiation issue. Yeah. Last game I played with radiation that was really annoying was Rust. They had radiation. I think they removed it eventually. Oh, I hear. I was gonna say zombie dogs, but they're not zombie dogs. They're hyenas or something.
Key door, I think.
It's this
Okay,
way.
I don't know where you guys at.
This way. Oh, watch out, hyenas! I'm gonna go inside, over here. I'm gonna go up the stairs.
Oh!
Go up the stairs, go up the stairs, go up the stairs.
Hyenas! I got no time to stop.
I'm in. Ah, safe and sound.
Get off.
Ooh, hello, shotgun.
Oh wait, is this a safe spot so I could rearrange my bags? Alright.
Is it fragile? Can we kick it out open?
Wait.
Locked from the inside. No. Watch out! No, it can't be open, no.
Yeah.
It's not working.
Yeah, I'm on my way.
Watch out. Watch out, Sam. Watch out. Stay away from the window.
Oh!
Right, the door is unlocked.
Oh, I actually took the long way around as well. Yeah, I know Rust is not, you cannot compare Rust to stuff. I was just comparing the radiation basically, how annoying it can get. Did you just drop these pliers here? You dropped these pliers here just now, did you?
Yeah, I don't think we need it.
Which door?
No, I don't think so.
Which door?
It's a blue one.
Left door, Sakura.
I went to the door. Shit!
I don't know what we need to do here. It says 2.
Okay, we find 2 raccoon medals. So I'll use that. So we need to find 1 raccoon medal.
Alright, painting with lines on, and this one is blue painting with deers on or something. Do we push these? Oh, I can push these. Does it make a difference where you push those then?
There's
Where are you guys?
We're in a brown door. It's like an office. I don't get it. Does it make a difference where this? Because I mean, I'm sure we won't push it anymore though. He's done pushing, I think. Push it, baby. No, it's not working.
I'm in the wrong. Crap! I'm in the wrong area.
No, you're close by. I heard you opening and closing a door. You're here somewhere. I'm gonna call you.
Time to go.
Code. Oh, there's a key here. Right, elephant key. I got the elephant key.
You got the elephant key? What do you do with the elephant key?
The doors, I think.
Where does this lead?
Hey,
Office.
there's a note with a code on it that we need to find, and then when we find it, we got to come back to that room. Oh, I think now.
Watch out.
That's the exit.
This way. Yeah, I agree with Jack. Can you imagine children zombies in a Resident Evil game? Nope. I mean, they did do Evelyn. Ooh! Is this where the key opens? Over here? Whoa, I hear the elephant. Whoa, bye.
Whoa, you guys are glitching on me.
There might be some hidden things over here. Over here.
I love him walking with the gun. Yes, there's some stuff over there, I'm sure of it, yeah.
Oh, I gotta take that handgun ammo.
There's a bunch of stuff here, actually. What's this?
Hello, Ivan.
Shotgun rounds. I'll
Hello.
take these. I'm gonna drop here.
Right.
No, Neil, we're safe from the elephant. If the elephant shows up, and he did, we're safe here. We're not gonna get attacked. Definitely not. I see the elephant, but he's not gonna do anything to us. He's up there. He's not gonna do anything to us. I hope. Wait a sec.
No.
We're safe. We're safe up here. We're safe down here. I don't know if he's ever gonna leave though. Okay. Jack, do you remember?
Right.
Do you remember the complaints Capcom got when they announced the trailer for Resident Evil 5? That was racist, and they actually changed it. Okay, he took off. He's gone. He gave up. You know? Did you know that I can actually break these? You can break these. Look, look, you can break these. Hold on. Look, you can destroy these carts.
No.
Elephant!
Hey.
Look, I destroyed it. Oh, this way. Come back to safety.
Oh.
Come back to safety. Down here. I see his butt.
Area, I'll wait.
Exactly, Jack. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, yeah.
Oh.
You guys okay? Where are you?
Yeah, he ran over me.
Why didn't you get to safety down here? It's safe.
I got run over by a reindeer.
Where is he? Where's the elephant though? He's gone.
Yes.
Here.
Okay, I lost you guys. I have no idea where you guys are now.
We're on the. We went through the elephant door.
The elephant door. How do I know which one it is? How do I know which one's the elephant door? All right, no problem. I'll just take a guess. Hold on.
Let's.
No, this is not the right door.
Wait.
Hey.
Wait. Oh wait.
Hold on.
Ah, the elephant show. Alright, yes, I know where you guys are. Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna be FK for a minute. Be right back.
If you get killed, it's GG.
I see you coming in, Vloggy. I'm across.
Straight up? Oh, there you are, okay. Now, I know that you can find a cassette tape and you can actually play some elephant music, so you can lock the elephant inside, something like that. I remember that, but God knows where the tape is. Oh, there's the elephant. Maybe we can lock him in anyway. Hold on.
Oh, we need to. Oh.
I think he's gonna come in. I think we're gonna lock him in anyway. Hold on, if he comes in. Hold on, he's walking in. No need to close the gate now. Hold on. Now. Yes. Bye, have a great time. Locked him in. Nice. And that body has a key on it.
Ow.
I don't know how that body ended up there, but anyway.
Gate and it fell down.
Yeah.
Out the other way.
Alright, so now we're seeing... Whoa. Oh yeah, that's not gonna hold him for long. Something's shining here. What's this? GM tape, we don't need that. Because we locked him anyway. Where does this door take us? I don't even know where Sakura is.
Downstairs?
I'm taking the connecting passage. Let's see where this takes us.
Where's?
What's this? Antidote. Whatever. Whoa, watch out! And I went into the supply room.
Okay, where are you guys?
I don't know where you are.
That we broke open.
Okay.
I found a card key. No, this is not a card key. This is the blank tape. We don't need it. Right, we don't need the blank tape.
Do I need to go upstairs?
That's where we're at.
I mean, up the staircase?
Back on ammo.
What's this?
Okay, I don't...
Door. Yep.
I need to go upstairs.
Okay. I don't know where you are. I cannot guide you.
I think.
Okay, the door that we broke open. Right
DJ.
Now. What broke open?
I thought Sakura would be up here.
Let's see if we can guide her to come over here.
I got a cassette tape. A bug spray.
I don't think she's gonna be able to join us now, actually, because we closed the gate. Now we have to take the long way around, probably. Do you know where the elephant is locked?
Nope.
Alright, so you're not anywhere near. Alright, we need to find a way around now, so we can actually go outside.
Sakura, use your commands or something. Stairs now, outside.
Please go.
I just heard something.
Stairs, she's on the down there.
Mark! Yoko!
Oh, you guys are upstairs. That's why I asked you.
We're upstairs. My mic doesn't work. I don't know.
Okay, this way I think will lead us to get that key.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Let me go upstairs.
Yeah, eventually the elephant will break free. Yes, it does look like it's not a. It looks like it's not a permanent solution. All right, I'm gonna go quickly. Yeah, I hear the elephant. I'm gonna go grab the key real quick. What's this? Ah, I got the lion emblem as well. But I'm full, guys. I'm full.
Okay, we're in the B area, which is the elephant stage.
Alright guys, do not pick up the lion emblem, okay? Because I got one already, so no need.
What lion emblem?
Alright, I have no idea where you are, Sakura. I'm looking for you. I'm going out of my way to find you, but...
I am with Ari. Alright.
Edmundo, welcome. Outbreak indeed. Alright, I don't know where you are either.
Look on the map, Floggy. We're...
Ah, you together?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay, he's coming.
Okay, bees! I don't know how to do this. I hate bees. I think we can push actually the box over their hive or something. And I don't know what's with these buttons, what they do. There's a button. Push it? Yes. I pushed the button. I don't know what it did.
Oh.
I don't know what it did. I pushed the button, but...
I think there's like 3 of them. 3 buttons we gotta hit. Hey, gaming. How are you?
Wait, my character doesn't run faster.
There's a bunch of verbiage here.
I have no room.
Oh, what's this?
Alright, I got the... I have a raccoon city medal. If someone wants a base spray.
Something on the floor, shiny. What's this?
Poisoned. Poisoned.
I have no idea.
I came in spray.
Oh, what's this? I found a box here again.
Yeah, hit the switch. Hit the switch.
I'm gonna flip the switch right now. Yes. So what happens now? Oh, it's just some ammo for the rifle. I've been finding rifle ammo already. I don't know. What's that? Thank you. Pesticide.
Okay. Oh, I'm poisoned again.
Alright, there's a blue herb somewhere here. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here because I don't think we need to be here. I'm gonna go.
Front and center!
Front and center! Wow, Jack seems to know this game inside out. Let's go up. Actually, no. Can we go up? No, this way, this way. Since you have a medal, I think we can do something with it already. Ah, stupid.
Birds. He already has that, okay.
Yeah, the elephant is safe. Where are you guys? Yeah, you don't need to pick up the emblem because I got it, so... Can we go this way? That's the only way out anyway. I remind you, I own both games and physical copies. Yes, that I didn't think you still remember so much detail. I mean...
Yeah, where is a blue herb? Have you seen?
There was one where we just were, like there was like a red one, a green one on the stairs, but it's kind of hard to...
I took that and I'm... wait, Sakura is also poisoned too.
Yeah, because of those bees.
Also...
is it this way perhaps? Is this where we need to go now?
At all, I don't know.
Let me see where this takes us.
We should go. It's right here, so I'm gonna go... Oh.
Let's see where this takes us.
Raccoon City medal and
no. This is pointless. This is not where we need to go. Yeah, maybe with that medal we can do something, I don't know.
Son of a...
Are you gonna go back to the office?
Now, there's a note somewhere that has a code on it that we need, but...
Yeah, I remember, Jack.
It's not.
Is that shotgun shells? Hold on.
Is that thing on the table? It's like I see a key.
Oh, we already did that.
There's a piece of paper. Oh, you got it.
Somebody did something. Yeah, this is
More
file
rifle.
2. This is file 2, Edmundo. This is file 2.
What about the pliers? You need the pliers?
No.
No?
What's in here? It's locked with a simple lock.
Designated rifle ammo holder, I guess. Ammo. Wait, there might be a blue herb out here.
Oh.
Who gets to the blue herb first wins.
I cannot seem to find them. Let me see if I maybe already found the document.
One.
Elephant's Keeper Diary. No.
Sakura, come here. Sakura.
I hear you guys.
Is there anything?
You guys are close, I think.
Yep.
Where are you? I hear you.
There's nothing down here, but we can get out.
Should we?
Beaver.
I'll wait.
I hear you guys. I don't know where you are. Can you speak up? Can you say something?
Hello? Hello?
I think.
Go.
Alright, I know where you are.
Time to move out.
Right next door.
Time to move out.
What happened?
Please go.
Right next door. It's amazing. We missed each other.
Sakura's poison, so.
Are you in here? Did you put the... It says 4 now. What the heck? How is it 4? Oh, hold on. Did you guys complete the puzzle here or something?
Not me.
Can you hear me, Boggy? Boggy, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Ended up, it was rifle ammo.
Oh, okay, so you did this puzzle here with the raccoon medal.
Ammo.
Okay.
Making a lot of noise.
Next door. Up.
V4 wants to know why his username is Jackhammer. Why is your username V4? R0. What is that? Are you a robot? Where are you guys? I still can't find you.
Hey, you!
Go. Come over here.
I hear you guys. I have no idea where you are.
Wait.
Door.
Oh, there you are. Alright.
I'm trying to find a blue herb.
No, I don't think we're gonna find one. We need to get out of here. Who's still poisoned? Oh, Sakura.
All of us.
No, let's get out of here.
Blue herb, sorry.
We're gonna find one, don't worry. Watch out for the doggo, or hyena, whatever. Watch out.
Oh, really?
Let's go back to this area again. I don't know. I have no idea where we're going. I have no idea where we need to go next.
I'll look on the map and see. We have to cross the alligator. I'll cross the alligator way.
Oh, maybe this way?
No, we gotta go. Way, guess. It's the swamp where there's an alligator.
Yeah, I know about that, but I don't know how to get there. I know about it, but...
This way.
Nobody.
I don't think this is the way.
Alright, where we going? Okay, are we...
Alligator pit, so...
Okay, I'm good.
I'm gonna go this way.
We just came from there.
No, I know, but I think I know I know
They're
where to
locked though. Oh really, DJ? No. From the bird.
This is not the right place. If I find the blue herb, guys, I'll grab it for you.
Oh, and bees.
Oh crap! Yeah. And I'm poisoned again.
No way.
Herbs here. It's okay. The poison's not really fast acting, it looks like, so... Are you?
Okay, I found an area here. I've never been here. What's this door? It's locked. Alligator drawn, it says. The alligator door is locked then. And I just realized I went around in circles.
There's the door here.
I just went around in circles.
Me too.
Doors are locked. It's forcing us to cross the alligator pit.
Blue herb! Blue herb!
You found a blue herb?
Yep.
Nice.
No, across. Watch out.
What about this door? It's locked as well. God dang it.
That's me, jeez.
I have no idea.
Alright, we made it across the alligator swamp.
I have no idea where that is.
With the bees?
We'll come out main areas in a second.
Oh.
Yeah, okay. Oh wait, this is the observation deck. Let's go upstairs.
Alright.
Oh jeez, these controls are like...
Oh my god, me too. Jeez, I told you!
It's the controls.
Ah, fucking bird.
Guys, I'm gonna put the controller down real quick. I need to take a phone call. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, there might be a rifle in here. I can't remember. Yeah. Right.
Well, no, this is not it.
Watch out. Raccoon metal.
No idea.
Okay. Well, it's not even loaded.
So let's wait for Bluggy. I'm gonna wait.
Here. What's wrong with you?
The poison.
You didn't heal though.
There you go.
That was a close one.
Yep. Wait, I'm being hurt again? Okay, I'm fine.
So, I'm trying to see where this comes out. Be a key up ahead.
You know, the way he sits, like he poses, just like Barry.
Must be the old age, I guess. Character is a Vietnam vet, I think, or something.
Oh.
V4, hi. Is this Animal Crossing? Animal Crossing.
I did.
Oh.
I used to clean up the mess. You know, fun, but
is that on
Nintendo? No, Nintendo DS.
Okay. take a yeah.
Yes. Yes, sir. Oh, Barry. No. Wow.
Okay, I'm back. I'm back.
We're on the observation deck. We'll have Sakura. We have to go this way to unlock the door. I think.
Okay. Okay.
Huh? Vloggy. We're coming out. With the office, I think.
The office where we started in the beginning. No.
Like bolts were. I think that's where this comes out. Oh wait, there's a. What's this? This goes. Where does this go?
I'm gonna familiarize myself with the area where there was the bees. Because that's how you got to the alligator. Yes, from the area of the bees.
Okay.
Right?
Sakura, let's go back. Let's get out of here. Sakura! Oh my god, let's get out. Go, go, go. Return back.
I wish I could see.
Okay, let's not go there. Let's keep going down.
Okay, before. Teamwork.
And I just went around in circles again. I think.
What is it?
I'm for the handgun ammo, so. That's an alligator.
Hmm?
This way. What the frick?
I can't.
That is so huge.
Alright, so I'm lost.
At the map right now.
Which ending is that, Jackhammer? I have no idea which ending you're talking about. Which ending was that?
Oh, I see. That went there. Let me go alone, Sakura. Let me check things out. I don't want to get you hurt.
Okay.
Not that way. Not that way. I'm gonna go alone, because I don't... Yeah. They are... 50% virus. Okay, jeez.
I'm familiarizing myself with the zoo. So you got to the alligator area through the area with the bees, yes?
Yes, we went across the way.
Right, coming. I'm trying to see.
It's like lion stage right now. Right, oh, that's an antidote. Nocturnal. Hey. Boy.
Should I stay on the observation deck?
You just stay safe, but where to go?
I want to stay at the observation deck.
Oh.
Okay, this is the door. We missed this door. I mean, we missed it. I missed it. I didn't even notice this door here. So I found it. Okay, this is it. Hold on. It says lakeside area. So, okay. Did you guys kill the alligator or not?
No, I'm not with Fred.
We passed it. Yeah, we went.
But did you kill him? Or is he still here? There?
No, we did not kill him.
Okay. I don't see him, and that worries me. Oh, quickly now. Quickly. Oh, okay. I made it.
Wow.
I crossed the lake.
So
I'm not familiar with those endings, Jack. I have no idea about those endings. So, now, I cross the lake and I see a dead tiger.
I think we killed that one.
I'm at a dead end right now. I have to go back, Sakura.
I'm on the observation deck, so...
Did you guys go through the hole? Did you guys crawl through the hole?
Yeah, go up. Vloggy, go up the staircase. Go
up the staircase? I'm coming.
Yeah. Yeah, observation deck.
Okay, good. So today is the 11th over here. It's the 11th already. That means
tomorrow.
That means tomorrow is I7.
I heard on PS4 you could download it, but you can't play it yet or something.
No, I tried today. I'll try again, but I tried today.
Yes.
And I'll try again after this.
Key. I got the alligator key.
Yeah, he got a RE. I got old. Yeah. We're just waiting for him.
Which way did he go?
No idea. He left me alone here.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Where are you? I wish I could help.
Okay, hopefully he stays over there. The lion emblem. Key. Where did I go? Oh, here we go. I'm coming right now. I
have a lion emblem already.
Yeah, I see where you put it in now.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Giggity. Now, so we can get out.
Help me.
Oh.
Below the observation deck right now.
Please go.
And a bird's killing me.
He's not coming in. I'm coming. I want to see where you are. Oh, I hear ammo.
Sorry.
I hear ammo. I think it's you. I think it was you the shot. Oh, I hear the shots. I'm coming. There you are. So where do we go from here?
Damn birds.
Did you crawl through this hole, guys?
Yeah.
Oh, don't go there. No, don't go there.
There's the lion, in there.
Yeah.
Go.
Time to go.
Go.
So did you get the key to unlock this door or something? Nice.
It just takes us back to the main area, I think.
But did you get anything new, like a key or...
metal, but I ran out of space, so I put it back. But...
Weren't we here before?
Yeah. No. There's that area. Those raccoon medals. This is where I'm a little...
This is a very bad place to stop and think. There's hyenas here.
Long scenario.
And yeah, I think it's a very hard scenario compared, like, it's the first one. This is the first scenario. Anyway, my character, my Outbreak character is Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise?
Yeah, don't you think Kevin looks like Tom Cruise?
I can't see his face.
This is no good.
I'm looking for RET.
Yeah.
Right behind you.
I think this can only be opened from the other side.
Can we break it?
Hold on.
Hey, fragile.
No, it doesn't work. I don't know where to go. I have no idea. Maybe we missed something with the lions. Did you handle the lions earlier?
I ran.
I'm gonna go check the area because I think there must be a key item there somewhere. I'm gonna check. So where's the door that we unlocked? Is it here? Was it here?
She died.
Did.
I have no idea. No, this is the elephant. So I left it on Twitter, and before you say it's not, I fake myself. Got the ending. Alright, so this way. I'll check it later. So it's this one. This is the door we just came through. Wow,
I don't know where you are.
What, me?
Yeah.
The door you unlocked from the other end that we came out of earlier. You know, where we... the path in front of the observation deck? Whoa, 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 whoa. Crap, these frickin'...
Well, you could put the lion emblem in that area,
I'm gonna check the lion thing first. I'm gonna check the lion area. I'm gonna go find out. Front of Gate Plaza. Oh, I think we're close then. Alright. Is this it? Oh, okay, yes. There's the lion here. There's a lion.
I don't want to take that, because...
There's a key on the floor here. Did you drop this key?
Key?
What key?
Where the lion is.
What happened?
That's the alligator key I used, and
oh, man,
I used it disappeared.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the heck? I'm gonna kill the lion.
We're gonna go towards Loggy, I think.
What the heck? I'm out of ammo! Oh man.
Okay. Okay, now where? Yep.
Yeah.
Crap! The freaking camera angle cost me. Guys, we're done actually. Come here, next to the... I think we're done here.
Oh, the lion emblem? Did you use it?
The other emblem
oh, okay.
already in place. Alright, I killed the lion, so we're safe. Yeah, we're done here. Hold on, let me just place the lion emblem real quick. Because the blue one is already in place. Did somebody put it in? Giggity.
Ah. Damn it! Die, bitch!
Alright, I just put it in place. Let me see what's gonna happen.
Alright, we're on our way. We're at the observation deck going. We're gonna take the path.
The light's there, the shutter is going up. The shutter is going up.
Crawl space.
Alright, yeah, a shutter went up.
Okay.
So
hold on.
What is this key then? What is this key? Alligator key. Okay, that's the one you dropped then. Okay. And that's another raccoon medal. The one that you didn't have space to pick up.
Wait. Okay, let me give you healing stuff.
Bleeding.
What?
It's just the hemostat. Elf.
I forgot. Oh.
All space over here.
Yeah, it was a female, yes. I realized it was a female lion, yeah. She's still moving. I don't think she's dead.
Right, we're in the lion area now.
Oh, there you are. Yes, there you are. I just killed the lion. What about... Have you been here? The animal show? Have you been here?
It's a dead end.
Oh, okay.
There's another rifle, though.
It's fine. It's fine. No worries. So, the shutter went up. This shutter. Over here, a shutter went up. I think this one. Yeah, there you go. That's the shutter that went up. Over here. No, Jack, if she's moving, if she's flinching, she's still alive. Alright, so what now? What happens next? The train? Why can't I get in? Oh, oh.
Oops.
No! So the final boss isn't the elephant?
Easy, maybe?
I thought it was the elephant.
I think it's different based on difficulty, perhaps. I'm not sure.
So. Yeah, I think so, because the elephant was still trapped in there.
I think we
Watch out, guys! Shoot, 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 shoot!
Oh.
My gun is. Ooh, nice!
Oh.
GG.
That was easy.
Yeah, but I think we stun locked him at one point, huh? You shoot, I shoot, you shoot, I shoot, you shoot, I shoot. He kept flinching every single time.
Yeah. Listen, it's 3 versus 1.
Exactly, so he kept flinching. And again, this is on easy, so. Wow, now what?
Hey!
On the train?
Yeah, apparently.
Wait, don't leave me, don't leave me. You guys
looks like I left by myself. It's just me in this round.
It wasn't a bad part of town, really.
The cutscene is just me in the
Good
train.
for nothing son of a bitch
What
like
about
me
yours?
might be able to get a few jollies there.
It's me, yeah.
I shouldn't have allowed myself to think like that.
It looks like I took off on a... Oh, what's up? What happened?
It was no time to think of having fun.
The elephant? What's this?
I think we were going to a rescue point here, but the helicopter got shot down.
Oh, okay, look at that, yeah.
Yeah. Maybe the elephant's coming, I guess. I don't know.
The police and the National Guard
every helicopter, every
city under some
game
semblance of control. Their mission is proving to be more difficult than even the most pessimistic.
Same RE3 zombie sounds. Have you noticed? Oh, okay. According to Jack, there's 2 bosses. The lion only comes out when you don't trigger the cutscene when the elephant breaks free. That's what it is then.
Oh.
We got...
To be continued.
Where's the ranking? I don't see it.
E rank. Ugh.
I don't see it. Where's the rank? D. I got a D rank.
I got a D rank. It says best? What the?
Yeah, of course, because you've never done it before. This is
yeah,
your best. Even if you got 1 point, it's still to be the best. How cool is that? Alright, I'm gonna save this. Well, at least we accomplished something.
Yeah.
That was fun. I'm gonna have to call it though. It's almost 4 AM here. I need to get some sleep. Tomorrow I'm working.
Yes.
Tomorrow I'm working.
Okay, guys.
I'm hoping it's a midnight release. The RE7, you know, stuff. I hope it's a midnight release because I actually made sure that I'm not working at midnight. So if it's not, I'm gonna be salty.
Really?
I wanna play it. I've
definitely gotta play RE7 to catch up.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing. Maybe I'll do a Resident Evil 7 stream, you know, so it's like a recap, basically, but the whole thing.
Yeah.
Then maybe play the what's it called, the Zoe story, how they got all infected in the beginning. I think it's called Daughters, that one. And then I want to play the new ones. But again, I'm hoping for a midnight release. I don't know if that's gonna happen though. I don't know. PlayStation Store has a tendency of updating around 4 PM in the afternoon, so I don't know. It depends. It depends really. Some games get released at midnight, exactly at midnight. Some releases get released at so it's very weird. Anyway, thanks so much for playing with me. Thank you, Sakura. Thank you, Resident Evil Talk.
Thank you.
Thanks to everyone that hung out in chat. Thanks to the new subscribers. Was it 2 or 1? I don't know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow, hopefully. Bye!